You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I'ma cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up. Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
Yeah, I don't know why I love that. We're the choke. Yo, Wagwan, what I deal with? Jano, watch your cup up. Everybody live, everybody there. Yo, Wagwan. That 2 days I'm not seeing you know. Jano, what I deal with? Wagwan, everybody. We're ready. New week. You feel fresh. I clean the office today. Feel brand new. I'll be an air freshener, may I spray. Yeah, man, we're live. We're live. Everybody in the building. Rashad in the building. Hassim Williams in the building. Rashid Marshall, Dane Ferran, Shade Jawad, Luxury Stars, Jason in the building, Vernon in the building, K1 Beats, Jesse just messaged me on Instagram. Bro, you're 2 minutes late. Big up yourself, my boys. Always checking, always on point. Wife in the building. Rashim in the building. Darwin in the building. Dane again in the building. Everybody there. Sasha in the building. Rajay in the building. Jamaica Weekly Vlogs, welcome to the stream. Kim Possible, welcome. Nika, we shelled down last week. Big up yourself. Mike Lewis, Ronaldo. Everybody there. What go on? What I deal with? Bogo Dominic there as usual. Yeah, man, we are kickstart the trading week, man. That's how we are do it, man. Feel nice, feel brand new. Big up Mekai, what go on? No, man, I eat too much in my office, man. I have to clean today. No? I said to myself, so I'm not eating in my office again. Plus, I can't go eat because I'm gonna start my fasting soon. I think tomorrow I start my fasting. I normally do a fasting thing around them time of the year, so tomorrow I start it. Or should I say Monday. Murdoch's big up. Yeah, and big up all the new people. Them I see a lot of new faces in the chat. Yo, big up on yourself. I see you, man. I see you. And people, we're live with the emote them and everything now, you know. We're live with everything. Everything is live right now. So I want to see who are going to become the first member tonight. We want to see who will become the first member. Exclamation mark member. We want to see who will going to become the first member tonight. Who are going to use the emote. Yeah, man, I do fasting. What name? Intermittent fasting. Yeah, man, people, run up a likes button. Run up a like button. We so jump on goal and break it down real quick too. I'm going to peek at the badge them, you know. I'm not supposed to show any badge them, you know. I'm going to peek at the badge them. Alright. So when I click the link, right, you're going to notice one new tab on my channel called membership. Right? And when I go upon it, this is how the badge them look. And when you want a member, you have access to them emoji. All the members alone have access to them emoji. So you have the Pips one, you have Real Talk, you have TP Hit, and you have the money bag, the Forex money bag. And you also have members only chat. You have early access. So you see me post one video, like on Premiere and them thing there, members first get to watch the video. So members get access to everything first. And YouTube, that's how YouTube make it. You get what I say? And when you want a member, you see how your name just have, beside the name, you actually have one of them here now. Or the money bag. And the more months you're a member for, so true just have to start the membership now. I only have 3 badge for the first 3 months. So I have some new one I go drop in. And I have new emojis I drop in too. You get what I say? As soon as we stream start grow more and we start have common things that we're saying on the stream, we'll work with them for the membership. But yeah, so that's for membership. That's for who want to go join the membership and the thing. Bro, you love clean. So you have to make sure you throat clean up. Up there, bro. Alright, people, I'm going to get a trade management plan over there. Get a trade management plan over there, and we're there up on the chart. See? So what I deal with? Everybody are going with the weekend. A week or treat and a week just start still. Alright, man. People have to break down go real quick and see what we are working on. So you're trading your people. Wait. Let's get a notification. Woo! Wifey has become a member. Big of yourself. Hey! People, the wife has become a member. Big of yourself. So our first member. We have a first member. So the wife has become a member. Welcome. So you see what pop up in a chat a while ago and I say member and all of them things there? Yeah. It's for $1 right now. No man, it's only for $1 for people that's new to TradingView. You probably just created your account. Because if you go to TradingView.com right now, it's I'll show you. When you just create a TradingView account, you will get it for $1. See it? It's not gonna available for $1 for everybody. Only for new people. So type in chat. Alright, you see how she have the thing beside her name? The money bag. And she have the real talk emoji. Yeah. You know what I mean? So she official, you know? What say people? She official now though. She official because she a member now, so she official. So she have all of the emoji them, so she have the real talk one, everyone. So blessings and respect. So we have one new member. So we'll get our first member. Yeah man, we are crush all of milestone them. Alright guys, I could break down the chat. We'll get to the money now. Alright, wait, I'm not even open my MT4 yet. I'm open my MT4 real quick. My MT4. And I love that sound, isn't it? That's the sound I love. Alright. That I love him one body now. No must. No must. I'm telling you. Of course. Oh, you created from about 1 year now? Well, we don't know, bro, but not everybody always available for. It's always a promotion where them get to new people. Because for example, me not get that the promotion there. I have my TradingView from about 3-4 years now. Yeah man, you know say from the MD4 load up in the people. You know say whew, business time, you know. Business time. Alright, I'm going to break down the chart now, people, real quick. Alright, I'm going to start off for our daily because we just start a week. So this is going to be a bit fast for everybody. You tell me I say? It's a tapping into my routine look how you see me, alright? Alright, first thing I'm going to start from my daily time frame. See? So I start from my daily. I start from my daily because I start of a new week, start of a new day, right? So I want to see what I go on from my daily time frame. Using my daily time frame, we'll be able to see how the previous week performed and everything. So from my daily time frame, I can see say 1815 is holding up good, right? As you can see, 1815 holding up good. So you hold up for 1, 2, 3 days. I will come and try to test it for this day, right? So 1815 relatively strong on the daily. 4 hourly, 1815 is getting rejected. As you can see, there's a strong rejection down here from 1815. Strong rejection right there, strong rejection right there, right? If you look previous to the levels over here, we see strong rejections right here. So right now, for the whole week, basically we are trade between 1815 and 1830. That's how we are work with for the whole of last week. So I'm going to see if we're going to work with there so for the whole of this week. 4 hourly looking good. So 4 hour candle going to end in the next 10 minutes. So when the 4 hour candle end in the next 10 minutes, that's when we're going to realize if we're going to hold up above this level or we're going to go below. Alright, so we're going to be waiting for that. On our 30 minute, while our 4 hourly is holding up, on our 30 minutes is forming a failure to break, right? And once we get a failure to break and a rejection, we can then take a buy. We're not going to take a buy all the way up to 1820, right? We're going to take a buy with our first area interest being 1818, then 1820. First trade for the week, guys. I'm going to show you. You see the first trade for the week is 50 pips. Cut it short and go for 35 pips. I'm going to show you why. Psychological. You have to psychologically trick yourself. Zin? So I'm going to show you how you can trick yourself in the markets now. You see, if your first trade for the week is a successful trade, your brain I go wired on a certain way. If you say, alright then, yes, you start off good, so you're going to continue good. That's why I'm always say to you guys, the best thing to start off the week on is a positive foot. So that's why I'm always, you see my first trade for the week, I'm not going to bag of 50 people and 100 people and them something there. And the next thing is, I'm showing a bad thing is, the worst thing is catching like 150 pip as the week start. You know why? You're going to enter that week being overconfident. You get what I say? So you're going to start say, yes man, I'm the man. And me control this. You get what I say? Because you get some whole pips starting the week. So I always aim for 30-35 pips to start off the week. Because guess what? The best thing is to do a kick off the week with a win and feeling nice, feeling good, but not feeling overconfident. You get me? So that's how we deal with it. So you know I go catch me go for one whole heap of pips for the first start of the week. I probably I'll go for 25 pips and call it a day. You get what I say? I some work and I some hang at the start of the week. So start of the week, that reached my last week. Yes, exactly. So that way I do people. So right now, me see a potential buyer setup. The 4 hour they hold up well. Right, the 4 hour they have 7 minutes left in night and the 30 minutes have 7 minutes left in night. And with daily, a whole up at that level are good. However, you have to remember this is daily. This now close for now. As I say, we daily have 20 hours left in night. So we daily now close for now. So not like we daily I go close for now. You get what I say? Do you risk 1 or 2% in your trades? I risk 2% in all of my trades. So 2% for me is 20 pips. I'm risk 20 pips in all of my trade. I'm risk 2% in all of my trade. Occasionally we risk like 3%, right? But I try to keep it at a certain amount of pips. Because I one pair my trade and I take a lot of notes on the pair, so I know the amount of drawdown I normally get. If I get above 20 it really affect me. But yeah man people, so here's how I stay and that's how I stay with it. So just now we see what happens within the next 6 minutes and then we're good to go, alright? Then we're good, you know? How do you correlate goal with DXY? I don't correlate goal with anything. I just go up on goal and attack the goal. Right? Me used to work with DXY, but then it start throw me off sometime. He's not a correlation type of guy. As you can see, I did work with DXY down here so for a little while. But you get me say, but DXY start throw off a thing. Just guess what I'm going people. Look, I'm showing you something. I'm showing you what I'm going now. Alright, the power, we'll go power later. 4 hour mine clean now. As you can see people, it correlate but in a directly correlate. You get what I say? In a directly correlate to how you would want to correlate. Because at a point in time you will find DXY a go up and gold a go up. You get what I say? Look one right here so. Right? Look one right here so. You can see DXY rising right here so and gold rising. DXY reach some key levels like 95 down here so. Why this not percentage? Oh, I have to say in a percentage. Yeah. So it them not directly correlate like how me da want it. You get what I say? So me just load the whole DXY thing. So not like kind of something me did attempt. You get what I say? Me did attempt it, but me load the whole DXY thing. But if it work for you, work for you. You get what I say? Just work with what work for you. That me I try to tell everybody. Just work with what work for you. So DXY just do that so I take out the space. You get what I say? So I could just go back for 30 minutes and wait for the candle close. But even after our 30-minute close, guys, we still have to go so boom. We still have to go wait, but we have to wait for a retest other failure to break here. Even after it close. You get what I'm saying? Alright, I want to see what I go on AU. Wow. AU reached a level and start go down already. Yeah, AU test a level and start go down. So we can definitely expect AU for hit that target down here, so AU for hit that target down here, so for the week, yeah. So for all who in the AU sells, good trade, nice trade. XRP buy. Oh, no, probably not. You guys know what they buy in XRP. Buy XRP. I got my top back into XRP right there. So wait, I have to go up on my 4 hour for showing a level. I think they're showing a level, but no problem. But they have payment in mind. Yeah, see the level right here. So XRP tough into the level and go back up a little bit. So we have this level we take buy is at 0.7 right here. So we take buy some XRP at 0.7. So you have that all in the inventory, you know. And these are long-term things, guys. Like when it comes to Bitcoin and XRP and them something, I just buy Bitcoin and I just buy XRP. I may plan to store them for at least 5 years. At least 5 years. So on a thing we may look for, boom, make money off of right now. You get what I'm saying? And on what may I look for make money off of right now. Yeah. Alright, so just basically wait for the 30 minutes to see what happen on the 30-minute time frame. And then, but as I say, guys, the buy is setting up, you know. So let's wait and see. We can see what go on. I just reach what go on, Richard. Oh, well, they are breakdown gold, bro. They are breakdown gold. US 30. I'm not trade US 30. I'm all the trade gold, guys. So for all who knew, I'm all the trade gold. Yeah, so you got all this gold on the channel here. All the trade one pair. So everybody, I wanna spend the weekend. I say, yo, people, I pop some sleep Saturday, you see? I pop some sleep Saturday, people. I think I did pregnant. Feel me there sleep. Sleep me asleep all day Saturday. All I do Saturday I sleep. One time when I'm bridging short, my brother, and he say, yo, brother, every time I call you, I sleep. Sleep out the whole day. I sleep out the whole day Saturday. Think you would have seen Friday, bro? I tell you, say, alright, Friday, I'm reaching. I'm tired. Yo, I'm tired. I'm gonna say, yo, I can't afford that back test Fridays with the lame energy. I have to forward the energy. People, I tell you, say, yo, I try me not a webcam now for sure. Now. I be a buck me a buck. A beer but me about before the stream got start Friday. And I said no man, like sleep did that kill me people. Because I never get no sleep Friday. Friday the whole day I up and down. I go bank and all type of things Friday. So the whole day I up and down. The bank AC just drain me out. I go bank and I run a couple errands and them things the Friday. So yo, I tell you somebody drained. I did a buck people. I'm sure no know when I come on the stream come fast asleep on the back test Fridays. But no man, we are shot it back this week man. Nowhere in the head. People, plus this week are the best week for start shot it. Cause guess what? We're gonna do it for 3 weeks, right? We're gonna do it for 3 weeks. No, at the last week are the best week. I lie me I tell you. No excuses, but we have to do it. We have started this week man. So now we're in the head man. Everybody can get for tune in Friday all the vibe. See you man. Yeah man, we're going hard on the stream the weekend, no? We're going hard on the stream. Work on the weekend for me, bro. Oh, you work on the weekend. I pop some sleep Saturday, man. Me not girl on it, man. I pop some sleep Saturday. And then Saturday night now, you know a thing going on, people. Saturday night, I just touch on the grind, man. Saturday night, I put in some grind, put in some business work. Put in some business work and thing, because I did want to set up, my support. This is how I did want to set up. Yeah, people ever sleep so much or sometimes you wake up and I wonder if you're there again in the mirror and looking up in the air, you know? But they want to set up my support Saturday, so I set it up. So see it here. So when I go up on the website now, people, anybody who have issues with courses or nothing, them can just go right there, so boom, and send a message. You see me, I say? So see there? Everybody can go here, so go send a message. So I did set that up. I set that up on next new feature. What may I work on? I work on this. Wait there. I work on this. Wait, write a review. Yeah, I work on this. Trustpilot. So enough for the reviews that you guys give me on Instagram. I'm going to start make you guys write it on Trustpilot. So actually be trusted reviews. You get what I'm saying? So actually have trusted reviews. So we can grow a couple hundred trusted reviews for the year. Someday I work on a whole of them something. And that's something here, people. You know, it's easy to set up as it look. You get what I'm saying? You know, it's easy as to set up as it look. So I have to set it up where I get the message across all platforms and thing. So when the guys have queries, we can better manage it and them thing there, you know. So anybody have issues and them thing there regarding, some people probably get logged out of them course, them sign in and them not see them course, things like that. So I have to rectify and fix the whole of that. You get what I mean? So we'll get that issue sorted out. Because people have to remember a couple hundred down, you know. A couple hundred down, you know. Oh, the number I need to change. That's my old number. A couple hundred down, you know. Get a man, say? A couple hundred down, people wait there. I have to jump on now. I have a quick 5-minute business call with a person I call it. Yeah, some have sort out the whole of them thing, the people. Yo, work never stop. And yo, this is the hard for setup. May I tell you, I don't know call center to do it. This is the hard for setups. Alright people, give me 5 minutes. Let me jump on a quick business call there. You get the answer. Alright, people, we're back. Business cards, people. People don't know what business go already, you know. Business is at 24/17. And some people say, yo, 9 to 5 hard, you know, shit, 9 to 5 hard, you know. 9 to 5 hard. I say, yo, I'll never be an entrepreneur before. People say 9 to 5 hard. You think 9 to 5 hard and take time? I wait till have your own business. The only good thing about having your own business, every dollar a years, you know? Every dollar a years, everything I go towards building you, you know, build a next man dream, you know? I thought that's the thing about business. We're different from a 9 to 5. You actually benefit from what you put in, you know? Yeah, man. Business at 25/8, you know? Business at 25/8. Yeah, man. People, don't know say enough projects I work on, you know? Enough projects I work on. Right across the board. See, new project of people, I so get it, man. People been ask me about this. Yo, the logo high quality though. Backside, come zoom in, it's still pretty. What do you think about the logo here, people? It pretty? Or logo look? I'm glad some have YouTube, you know, I can't ask how things look. If it don't look good, I'm going to make a video. You like the logo? Yeah, nice. Oh, good. Nice. Yeah, the logo I work with. So basically, this are the same business I did always have before. However, with us, yo people, I tell you, so that business is kind of hard. That business is hard. You get what I'm saying? The business is hard, and it have come with a lot of demand, and it come with a lot of, like, you know, people, you know, if you kind of deal with certain way in a business. So, I explain the business I told you. Simplicity, I do it clean, yeah man. And it's a payment business, so that's how we have to keep it clean, you know. Alright, that's how we have to keep it clean. So, what this business basically is PayPal. So everybody has a message me and tell me say, yo, bro, I have the money on PayPal and I can't get it off, bro. I have money on PayPal and I can't get it off. So this business I go cater to that, you get what I'm saying? So you go cater where you can go so boom, hop on a website, right? Request a service, up on that business website, request a service, and you go so boom, and you make a payment through PayPal, right? And the money reach your bank account. That way I work with right now. So you PayPal to your bank account. So a lot of people in Jamaica, you can't link your PayPal to your bank account in Jamaica, right? So if you have money on PayPal, we can get it off for you. So all you have to do, I just link you up and we deal it for you. So I used to do it before, but the demand was very high. Higher than what I think when I did that again. Because I know saying a game like this is a business I trust, you get what I say? But bro, I tell you say everybody will link me. Them just go ahead through the process. I may never yet have nobody will have a bad review. I never have nobody a complain or say them money take long or them not get them money. You get what I say? Because I know we do the thing already, you know. Honest with everything we do. You get what I say? We're honest with everything we do. So because of that now, people really gravitate to the business, and that cause the demand is too high. So you know, so you have to go back to the drawing board and do over the business and get the business up and running real and proper way. So that's one of the projects that I'm a sole job. So I don't have to worry. People message me every single day about it. Say, yo bro, I have money on PayPal, they can make transfer it. Yeah, so we have that business I go come up, you get what I say? Logo, you look futuristic. It's a metaverse. Metaverse Oshana. You know somebody hear that word that not from morning meta. I love how my setup look clean. My setup look clean today. So yeah, alright people, I'm showing you what my wait man. See for that candle I close, one candle look like this. I'm showing you. One candle look like that. You don't want weak. You know? One of them there. One of them here I want. One candle will reject them here, so I'm gonna see that volume start pouring into the candle. Then I'm good to go. Need to apply cash up. But no bro, Bitcoin can cash out in Jamaica bro. CEX bro. Easily bro, CEX. Easy way bro, can cash out Bitcoin in Jamaica bro. The computer don't want you trading it. The computer don't want you trade it in. Bitcoin are easy thing to cash out in Jamaica man. Just use CEX.io. Easy thing man. Where it's a Trustpilot full of scammers. Yeah bro, I know that man. But Trustpilot is good for your business as well. Because it give your business credible reviews. Because a customer can't review your business on Trustpilot unless they purchase an item. Depends on how you set it up. Yeah, like a pin bar candle. Yeah. One of them pretty candle there. The money candle there. I don't know, you can't verify. Do everything on the computer. Don't do nothing on your phone. That is the easiest way to verify CX. Plus, I show you guys on the course how to verify CX. The whole process, right? The whole process supposed to be in the course, right, grade? What type of issues you guys have with CX? Because CX is very easy to be honest. Wait, on my other phone now. May I get my other phone? I think me even have some money point CX right now. Wait the people. I get my other phone and show now. CX very easy. Bro, bring my phone come. Get on the bed.
Alright.
CX easy people. My sign on CX. Have a little code thing right there. I think I have some Bitcoin left off I want to cash out today. It's a CX alright. So people, it's a CX alright. It's a CX people, alright? I'm not showing how to withdraw. People don't show them thing up on the street, but me I go show them. Get the answer? Alright, so CX here people. So I have some Bitcoin on CX. I think my about $80 so left. See? Bitcoin supposed to go down. Alright, boom. Alright, first thing, we have it in a Bitcoin, see? So I'm gonna show you what I go on now. So now, when I sign in your CX, it will look like this. See? You lucky girl that is that?
Which one?
Yes, sir. Lucky car. Actually, I don't know you was saying, brother, I'm going to tell the drive a car coming in the garage and away. Yeah, man. Let's catch up a car. Alright, people. I'm going to show you how to withdraw for CX. Take a drive my backside. You try to go lucky car and carry key come. Anyway, people. I'm showing you how CX works. See? Or I go on Demetrius. So, people, remember me telling you about the stocks thing? I'm showing you Demetrius. Him that. So you want to know about his stock investment and them sitting there. Them man they link about them talking there. Alright people, I'm gonna show you CX. See? So see CX. So after you withdraw and them thing there. After you have the Bitcoin. So for example you withdraw from your Forex account and you have a Bitcoin for your CX. So me did buy some XRP, so I did have some money left for my CEX. See? So I go withdraw it. I never did plan for withdraw it, you know. I never plan for withdraw it, but I go show you how to withdraw it. See? Alright. So you go so boom. You have your balance right here, so see? So it go there in a Bitcoin. So you have to trade, you have to place a trade. So you have to sell it. You can sell it at market price, right? So if I sell it at market price, how much may I get? Same $83. If I do a limit, how much may I get? 83. Same amount of money, it no matter. Whether I do it as market price or I do it as a limit. So you go come down, you have to place a trade. So you have to sell it. Don't use the app, bro. Don't use the app. As me I say, use the website. Just stick with the website. That's the reason why not for now. Try withdraw and it now work out. You get what I say? Because you now use the app. Do everything on the website. Soon turn big crypto investor. Cool, no? That's why I tell the guys, work on the website. Don't use the app. If you use the app, you're gonna notice that you can't add your card on the app, right? On the app, you're gonna have troubles adding a card and all of them something there. So I'm gonna say, yo, stick with the website, you know? Send a Discord link. Alright, somebody type exclamation mark Discord in the chat. I can get the Discord link. Yeah. So you got some boom now, people. And you click right here, so, or you can copy it or type it out, anything you want to do and sell it. So you go place one order. When you place the order, we're gonna get $84 in that, right? So I click place order. It will access some details, that will take some one like a fee thing. Alright, we'll click place order. Your order has been executed. See? So order execute. Boom. See it up here, so? Bitcoin sell and everything. So now we are going to withdraw. See? And when we withdraw this, as I withdraw it, I go log in on my NCB bank account and send it on a screenshot. Quick and fast. And you guys are going to see how quick the money reach. So this is a live withdrawal. This is no edits or nothing. Me and my NCB bank account right now, alright? So I click withdraw. I go select Visa. I go select my card. Boom. Right? I have $92. Right? I go withdraw the whole $92. So I click $92. See? I agree. And then I click the word withdraw. Looking at people, pay attention. I click withdraw. Alright, I ask me for your code. 1 second. In a matter of mental, I code up on the stream, so I change every second. Wait the people, may I wait for your code. Line up. Alright. Confirm. Boom. They send me a request to withdraw. Alright people, watch this now. Watch the stream now. Pay attention to the stream. Alright, I'm signing on my NCB bank account right now. There's nobody fast in the market. Nobody. Alright? Nobody no fast in the market. See? Boom. When I see me just withdraw it, alright? Alright, I just screenshot it on my phone. I just screenshot it on my phone. Alright, I go a snap drop. I send it to my computer now. 1 second. People, when you never know, so you can withdraw and the money reach your card right away. We're not talking about yesterday, tomorrow, or nothing. Alright, see there? See there, people? See the screenshot there? The money reaching. My bigified phone. See the people. The money reached the account already. See it? We withdraw it and the money reach. See that the money reached from 924.35. So the money reached, I know about 925. See it? The money reached the bank account already. And the $92 we withdraw. Alright, we are going to divide it. 12,888. So this is for all of the people, and we're going to tell them, say, oh, CX, give me a low exchange rate. You get what I'm saying? all the people them are gonna tell me say CX give them low exchange rate. Alright, see exchange rate you get here 140. See? And the 140 are that after the fees. Can remember the CX take for them like a percentage fee did so. You get what I'm saying? So see it there people, quick and fast, see it there? From CX right to your bank account, right on the stream. We never have to wait till tomorrow or them thing then. From CX right to your bank account. And we're good to go. Learn something new every day. Alright. So see it there? From CX right to your bank account. Does it cost to withdraw? Of course bro. How does CX gonna make money? The fee is them show the fee when they type in the $92. So the fee was there. Wait, I find out how much exactly them send me after the fee. Wait, I have to sign in back in my CX. I have to go on my history. 1 second. I have to go in my history people. 1 second. I'm going on my transactions and see how much them send me after the fee. Alright. So the fee was what the fee there? People may never look how much are the fee. You know? Them charge a little fee, but I don't remember how much the fee be. I don't remember how much the fee is. I don't remember how much the fee be people. The fee did show up on the screen. I have to probably go back into the stream to see the fee. Right? So that is how you withdraw through CX guys. I just see fast, quick and easy. When I not long waiting for money. Right? So if you type in exclamation CX in the chat, right? Yeah, I think at 2.99%, somewhere around there about. So if you type in exclamation CX in the chat, you get the link to go sign up on CX. Did a $4 or $8 you did show it on the stream. Oh, I did like $4 or $8. Yeah man, somewhere around there about. I don't remember how much dollar exactly. Yeah man, Demetrius I plug man. Demetrius I plug people. So you wanna know about the investment them in like stocks and so I'm showing him channel. When you wanna know about the investment them in the stocks and them thing them. Alright, see right channel. So no one know how to invest in a stocks and see him collect $30,000 dividend. All of them thing there. You get what I say? When I want to know about all of them things, yeah? So I see channel there. Yeah man. I can't watch that one of people because I'm in a video. Wanna go watch that one here, where they? What the video me there there? But then one of them video and people, which part of them? Which part of my video there? I try to find my video. I wanna see my video. Demetrius, some video there bro. I wanna see my video. I have one about buy land. How are there? People will buy land video there. Oh, I upload enough video. I wait on some of there. Jaja. Alright, see me here people. See me there another video. See me right there so. Some video they go on 12K. Whoo! Phew! So people see my video right there so. So Demetrius, send me check come now man. Send me check now. I saw my video go on 10K. Send me check man. Send me check come. Send me check come. Come my video perform 12K. So I'm up on Demetrius channel 2 times. So I'm right there so. And him did interview me right there so. So if you guys want to check out, the interview like 1 year 1 year old. And this is the video for buy land. You get what I say? People, we're gonna get copyrighted. Me the one I'm gonna watch it still, but we're gonna get copyrighted. We don't have nothing to do, you know. You get what I say? We don't have nothing to do. My video going good though, people. 12K. They say people, you need to cut me a check. Not true? Wait, let me see something. Let me see something, people. I'm going to see something. People, no, you Demetrius, you need to cut me a check, man. Now we are number 1 for the channel, man. You need to cut me a check, man. I'm going to link up for your next video. The people them love that video, man. Showcase the process of buying land. Alright, people, I'm going to jump in at that video. I'm going to get copyrighted, but I learn one way how for something there. We learn one way how to cut it out at the stream. You get what I say? Thanks to
Hey, have you heard of
Lord God.
e-commerce?
Watch out.
It's like
People they mean
the
just
best
as they are
e-commerce
collect my money.
platform to launch your own line.
To my channel, and let me say wagwan to the future millionaires.
So I'm gonna watch
Future
it.
Millionaire Club. Yeah, I like that name, but let's start rolling with it. Welcome
Alright,
to my
people,
channel.
so
by
I can't get close, so I said some
So
alarm
last
like
week
that.
we spoke about buying
So then go back
that
down, we
new
can't
car,
enter.
our first car. And today we want to speak about something more of a real estate focus. We want
just
to
check the
speak
chart,
about
man. So check the chart
buying
there.
your first lot or buying that land to build your house on. And I will be doing this video giving you a guide of how to buy land through interviewing one of my good friends. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, Wagwan, Demetrius Fearman here. And today we're going to visit one of my
People, so
my
then
friends and
LT shirt.
basically know him already. He needs no introduction
People, you see shirt? See what I find the shirt? Alright.
because this man is like the most popular Forex guy in Jamaica.
That would
Ashane
be-
right here. So today he's going to show us some of the lots that he is in the process of selling and some that he has sold. So we're going to go to the buying process of actually gathering land to build your future house or your future commercial building. Alright, Ashane, so if I am in the process of trying to acquire some land, or before we even try to acquire land, I want to build a house. And if you're in the country like St. Elizabeth, you know that chances are you need to buy some land. So how do I go about that? How can I actually start the process of buying land?
Well, the first thing you have to do, you have to search for empty land that you see. Because sometimes we see empty land and because there's no for sale sign, we don't know that it's selling.
Mhm.
For example, out here you didn't see a for sale sign.
No.
The property over here is sold.
Yeah.
So you can just do your research and just ask questions and ask people, because people will know people. And one of the easiest way that a lot of land is sold in St. Elizabeth is by it just passed down from one generation to the next. And sometimes some family does probably lose a big family member and they inherit a piece of land and they just want to sell it, which is one of the fastest way of land selling in St. Elizabeth. Inheritance. So you just inherit a piece of property. You probably don't even know the value of the property. You just know say, we can't get money for
You
this.
just know to spend money.
I
want more money.
So, so a lot of people they sell properties like that. But other than that, you can definitely do some research on Google. You can Google properties in St. Elizabeth and you will see from the different websites, Yellow Pages or those websites, you will see properties are available. You can also check with local realtors. So you have realtors which are companies. So say for example, I'm selling this piece and I can just register with a realtor and they will just handle everything. They probably charge me 2% or 1% fee of the sale value that I'm selling the land for.
Yeah.
They probably charge me that as their fee. They don't charge me any other fees. They just charge me that alone. And then they put
Ken, we go gym, bro.
They
We
themselves
go gym.
probably come put up a
Corona locked down the gym, bro.
So you can check with realtors.
We still go back at gym, man. No head, man.
If you see a nice area that you want to live in, you just ask questions and say, yo, you know how many land around here selling or stuff like that. So that's the best way, I think, for you to get land.
Yeah man. That's supposed to get an attention because
Yo,
50% of
people, you see the part of that video? So yo, you see me watching video, people. The part of me frightened, you know? Yo, we don't say I don't follow the good day, Father Steve, and I go frightened, you know? Yo, we have to just say. When me watch a party every day and the man come with a camera and clap, I say me frightened.
You guys are watching this video and have not yet subscribed. So pause the video, go down to the bottom of the
Like
screen.
people, pause the video, go down at the bottom of the screen and like the video. Go like the video. So say where I use the Demetrius sitting there. You see me I say? Where I use the Demetrius promotion. So people, pause the video and click the like button. So if you not already click the like button, if the like button still no white for you, that mean by you're not going good. So go and go white up your like button. Go and go like up your button first. If your likes no move, me not play the video. Alright, the likes a move a little bit. So once somebody just like one more person after like the video for it move. They are 49. Alright, good. Let's keep it moving
You
then.
can see that red button, just give it a click.
That mean marketed,
Yeah.
they're gonna be more expensive.
Not too
So it's
expensive.
better when you have, you know what they come and
So people wanna learn something new, popular land or expensive land.
sell you a piece of
So I got here.
Because the popular the popular the land be are the higher demand. You get what I say? And the higher the demand for the land, the more the price will go up. That's why you see them land there Kingston so expensive. Not only because the area alone, but there's a high demand because guess what? You might have a piece of commercial property at Kingston and you have 20 man want buy the land for you from you. You get what I say? When you go and run some technical analysis session, bro, we do that every
Just
day.
search there. So anything you
Just
see on the top, skim it down.
Yeah.
You get the real gold.
Alright.
So what if now? So we find the land, and you say, yo, I like that piece of land here, but what kind of paperwork do I need to get ready, or what should I even bring to you in the first place to
Alright.
secure the land?
So well, to be honest, so we're working with saying you're a cash buyer. So that's the scenario we're working with. So the only thing you, the buyer, would need is the cash and the TRN. Reason being is because the person that is selling the property would have already set up himself to get all the paperwork prepared. So, for example, if you're using a lawyer, so say you're purchasing a property from me,
Yeah, man.
we can come together and say, alright, we're going to use this lawyer. If I'm selling a piece of property, I have to make sure that, alright, I have the lawyer and everything prepared because I don't want you come. And then that time we're going to be searching for lawyer and going
By then, we're going to lose interest and say, I don't want
Alright,
it
so
again.
I would have my lawyer. There's agencies that you can use, but the process is very long and drawn out. So recommend a lawyer. Yes, people might say a lawyer is more expensive, but to be honest, doing the process, the two of them is the same amount of money. Because these agencies, they just work with a lawyer. So that's what these agencies does. So things that you will need first, you will need, say, approach a person.
Yeah, but man, I understand that the value go, but we are talking about when the demand
Right.
strong for
The thing is,
properties in a certain area. It really
so
bring out the price
alright,
down.
give me $5 million for this.
Yeah.
And they look anything on it and say, alright, then $5 million.
But when I'm actually come up with the price,
It doesn't work. Most people just come for the price. But how it really works is you have to go to the person and say, alright then, can I have a copy of the valuation number?
Yes.
Or can I see a recent tax receipt? On the tax receipt, you will see how much land is valued. And from the valuation number, you can just Google type in property tax and just type in the valuation number and you will see everything about the property. You'll see the owner name, you will see the owner name, you will see who owned the property, and you will see all the recent tax history because guess what, you don't even want to purchase a property that owes a lot of tax. Because people in Jamaica don't love to pay property taxes. So you will have land owe like 10-year taxes. All of that taxes has to be paid out before you're in the name of the title.
That's why people are tax officer and them.
Alright.
Tax office ever full. And people are that pay land tax. I say, what happened?
Yeah. So say you go through the process now and you do all of your research.
And that's say people don't pay land tax, you know, people. Them pay land tax, but they don't pay it off. People pay land tax like they think a water bill. Them pay $2,000 upon it and $3,000 upon it. So say your land tax come to $20,000 for the year, because every year you get it at one time for the year. That's the reason why I understand why people find it so hard to pay land tax. One time for the year, people. See? One day they get that time for the year. You get what I'm saying? So you just have to take your time and save some money for pay it. You get what I'm saying? It's that easy. And I know rocket science thing how people make it look. So people now the land tax will come to 25,000 and them gonna pay 5,000. You get what I'm saying? So you have to take your time and pay just pay it off. Or say alright then every 3 months you pay something for it. But no, people go pay one $5,000 like they think a water bill and left the rest. Left the next 15,000 till next year come again, then pay one next 5,000. So the land tax they go up and go up and go up, and you go buy one property now when $100,000 tax step on it, and depends on what you go sign say. Say you go sign, say man give you one discount and you go sign, say alright then you take care of all expenses. And when you look, you go see $200,000 land tax. Me sorry for you. Cause $200,000 land tax is enough here, you know. Depends on the type of land that are 10 years for some land, you know, and 5 years for some land, you know. You get what I'm saying? So it all depends. It all depends. Yeah, so it all depends, people. It all depends.
Get the valuation number from the person. Do your research. It's 5 million. You don't pay all 5 million one time. You and the person discuss and say, alright then, what percentage you're working with first?
Yeah.
Right? And you don't want to pay out all of the money on your title is, you know, taking long.
Lawyer fees and
Lawyer fees. So guess what?
Yeah, people, so guess what? When you can go watch the rest of the video on the Demetrius channel, you get what I'm saying? So you get half of the video. So you can watch the rest on the Demetrius channel, alright? Because Demetrius just take out 8 minutes of our video. But big up yourself, bro. Blessings, welcome. So people, as I said, if you don't want to see how the investment thing go, like Jamaica Stock Exchange and dividends and them type of thing, me never do them. Me never do none of them dead people. Right, that's why I stream global people as I click it, ad come up. Yeah, as me I said, people, if you want to know if you do them thing, then you link up the Demetrius channel. And you know, say people, my plan for buy my first Jamaican stock. So I plan for watch that video. Where video there? Demetrius give me one video where how to open one stock account, you know. A matter of fact, Demetrius link up in our DMs. I want to purchase my first stock. I want to purchase my first stock. I don't own no stock, guys. I want to purchase my first stock. I want to purchase my first stock. I know which company. I want to invest in already. People have to invest in a company when I lose the money, you know. How you see Jamaica Stock Exchange? How you access like the market? How you access like the Jamaica Stock Exchange market? You say break and retest for kill. NCB me want to use, man. NCB me want to use. Trading. Click trading and see what going on. So they have charts and something? People, they have charts? Back to that question. Does Stock Exchange have charts? That I want to know. If you have charts and them thing there, daily. Alright, people. So this is our the daily time frame? Nah, people, me can't read them as here. No. They kill them not upon that. So people are them as I forgot read. No, sir. I say rough. No man, people rough for me. I see company them we are going with something things still. So 0.3% change. People, I'm showing us some of my company that we want to invest in. This we are investing in. You see this a company, people? That company I go up. May I tell you this? You see this? The company I go up. That's the reason why I want to purchase stocks. No, Jamaica market, bro. Jamaica market. More have shares in a Kingston Wharves. More have shares in a Kingston Properties. I'm showing you next one. Where there? It's supposed to be down here, son. Carib Cement now going with nothing. I know that already. So Carib Cement now going on. But you know some actually investing in this? Actually investing in this? I have a portfolio with them. With Guardian. Sitting. NCB now going with nothing. I know that already. NCB now going with nothing right now. But you see them two there I'm showing the people. Wigton still there. One thing whole lot of people them when they go invest in the highway. I want to them. You remember when the whole world are investing in the highway? Right now people that trade almost see TP. You remember a whole lot of people then go invest in the highway? I want to them. Alright, wait, them more have to say. Oh. This is what the daily time frame? Oh. So what the daily time frame, alright. People in my company they want me telling you some more invest in. See it? Kingston Wharves. This is a company I want to invest in. Let me see how Kingston Wharves are perform. This is 3 months, no man. 1 year. Phew. Yo, me know you know. People, you see what I'm telling you? Look there. From the 13th. Look there people. Yo, man, I tell you know people. Oh, people don't day trade them. I not day trade, bro. More go. It's a long term one more. It's a long term one more, people. I don't want long. Long shot. Yo, what going? Brother, I sleep in the dark and then I wake up and go cook. I'm say me I shout at 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock I say me I shout at that. Me sleep and then I go cook my youth. What me shout you? Are you not answer me? Me never shout you this morning. Me not shout you from today. I lie you tell. Could I see my shout you? They up on the stream, man.
Oh, they're up on the stream, man.
Yeah, I play FIFA.
I want to trade over me just closing.
Where do you sell AU?
Yeah, but I look shaky, so I just.
Oh, it's start go back up.
Yeah. Close with over 1 pip profit. So, if you break up, I thought you something else. No, so probably to buy.
Oh, if you break up. But how far if you break up, so?
It's 1 hour structure or 30-minute structure.
That are we up at 7217 6 or that's something?
72. So, now one line there 72200.
200. Oh, that's a. My line that's the right under that line there. Oh, the 1 hour structure. Oh, I'm not sure what you thought, but we have to go break it on the 1 hour and retest it.
I try to exercise some patience here, so.
Alright, my boss. What's up? I'm so short still. Next 2 hours. About 4 match FIFA match that for you.
I want to find stream coins now, bro.
Alright,
So much you know just play FIFA on stream.
Think a gaming stream. The people them tell us that they want to see me play FIFA.
Right now they would agree to you, don't they?
No man. But they don't want to see me play no FIFA.
But you don't know people can.
People will trade gun. When I get for enter. People, I honestly love it on a retest. This was a good interest, we have everything for enter, but the retest. We did wait on the retest. But we not watch the face, people. We not watch the face. That's about 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips. We not watch the face. The one that look like we missed that one there. Look like we missed that one, the people. Bro, me not trade that period, bro. Goal alone, me trade. Alright, but them interest I say now. Them interest, forward na Discord. Forward na Discord. Go study room. Go study room 1. Yo, people, so I'm explain my investment. Yo, and this is not an investment advice. This is not an investment advice. I don't know bother go buy Kingston Wars because I miss us up. Alright. See. I tell you why Kingston Wars I got shut up for the year. Yeah. Because I remember people when I take an investment, I don't know. People remember say, alright, look here, it did there $36 yesterday, I know we got into $42. You get the man say a 15% or much you say a 15% change that? Yeah, 15%. Yeah man, 42 Jamaica. You say you're cheap. Say cheap so people. So imagine me go here so now and put if I invest $100,000 in this, how much money I get? If I invest $100,000 in this, how much money I get again? Somebody doing maths now? Man, say my whole Wickton for the next 7 years. I wanted to say Wickton to get a beaten. Yo, Wickton now last 7 years. I say something. I'm going to make you know if Wickton now last 7 years. I'm show you something. I look first on something, on my picture. Alright, people. I'm show you why Wickton now going to last 7 years. Meaning it go last, but it not go continue up for 7 years. You know why? Win energy, I get where you don't get. Alright, see investment man there right that's now. Turn up my mic. So you have an investment man right that's wait there. Alright. Yo, you hear me? The me just there now as a people. Me probably have fixing my car so. Bro, check JPS. Yo, JPS not supposed to lose money. Highway 2000 are the one of the best right now. I that me ask you now. Like who did invest in a highway? Tio. This is how me I telling about Wickton. Wickton now go last long because guess what? See where world I go here. Look. See where world I go right there, so. See where world I go right there, so. Solar energy. You get the answer? This is how the world I go to. So it's enough I bush them wanna see a Jamaica? Or this it I go to. Just wait until one big company come here and drop it. You get the answer? A solar energy thing I go to. Cause I remember in the people Jamaica have good sunlight, right throughout the year. You get the answer? Jamaica have sunlight right throughout the year. Wait, the Demetrius, I don't know if I'm my thing not set up good or you or wait, I say if I'm mine. I feel say I'm mine. Alright, talk now? Wait, wrong mic. Talk now? Yo. But I hear this man now. No, my output device is set away like a while ago. Demetrius, Demi. Where man got man? Yeah, anything leave a light up, him not talk. Me ain't quick a while ago though. So people, as me I say, solar the way. If you talk about 7 years, you have to talk about. Demetrius, go I'm show you for the bro. Go settings down at the bottom. You see user settings. Click that. Click voice and video. And change your output device or input device. Make sure you set them on default. Make sure you put them to where you want it to be. And you're good to go. Yeah, people, that matter now. Solar energy are the way for go. Anything where you just do a while ago, it work. Come and just see you sitting light up. Alright, man, mute yourself now. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, bro. You have to make sure you set in a voice and video settings. You have to make sure you select the microphone when you want. You get what I'm saying? You have to make sure you have the microphone. Me, I hear you now, man. You're good now. Yeah, you're good. You're good now. You're good now.
My earphone is the problem, man.
Stocks boss. So people, we have a stocks boss like live and direct now. The people start have a guess at night time.
Okay, I work this. I'm so good.
Work you there? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You there upon some tall building, some tall something.
No, bro. What up on your argument?
Alright. People don't have him for long, so I gotta go ahead with the questions. How me buy them shares in you? How me buy King Subs?
I don't know what I already said. You have to sign up with a broker.
We don't know nothing. We don't know nothing.
Alright, so first thing first, you have to make sure so you sign up with a broker. A broker at any financial institution in Jamaica.
NCBA for the bank. NCBA will sponsor. So NCBA will bank.
Alright, so NCB and the bank, that means you can use NCB capital markets. Next time when you go to the bank, just tell them say you don't want an NCB top trading account. But the way your NCB do them thing, I think they have their own platform so you can trade with them. But most of the time, most of them banks don't have their own platform. So I give you an ID number where you can use to sign up to a program they call JTrader. So if the bank won't have their own platform, isn't it? Another platform they will use to interact with the stock market. That platform they will use to buy and sell shares of a stock. Before you even reach the sum, you have to know your investment goals. You have to know if you're in the market.
You make millions of dollars, a lot of gold.
Yeah. Depends, because some people want to make it millions in the next 10 years and some people want to make it tomorrow. So if you want to make it fast, you know, so you have to go trade. Making it fast, yeah, so losing it fast, you know.
So you may say, I want to chat with candlesticks money?
Yeah man, them have a chart, but you see like how the Forex you can see it live. And I hope of volatility, so you hope of movement and swings. This market don't really have it like that. It's not a lot of movement because I don't want people in Jamaica invest much less even trade daytime. However them trade are some big money. So like some big top shop businessman just switch over some funds from one company to the next. So they don't have much volatility. But the only stock them we know have a lot of volatility. See Trans Jamaica Highway, big time. And
alright, what you think about me not think Wigton is good long term. What you think?
Wigton want a stock where you go hold. To say you go.
Somebody said 7 years a while ago, but me not feel say Wigton not gonna last no 7 years. Somebody said 7 years a while ago, but me not feel say Wigton not gonna last no 7 years.
No, but I don't think Wigton want a stock where you have to invest and hold. They have a whole heap of volume at the time when people are trading because movement. It has a lot of movement because a lot of people invest in it. In terms of long term, I think Wigton a few.
Yeah, what you think about King Sunwash Limited now? Me feel that I go boom for that year because me see the supply chain.
You say a while ago, but it's a while ago. It's because people actually have a little certainty now when it comes towards Corona. Like every other week, one next version come out here. You can see people slowly predict say a virus news strain will come out. And when a news strain come out, it's like we can more handle it now. We're not going to severe lockdown and uncertainty and people are run to the hills and everything. So you kind of have that out of the way. Like business can still operate. The only thing will affect the internal supply chain.
Wigton or WAFs?
Wow, the only thing will affect WAF our supply chain.
Mm-hmm.
Because still not start out.
But WAF does seem like it. WAF coming out there in crypto, they not move.
I have to I tell you, with most of them stock who make it on Jamaica Stock Exchange.
People look at
Big movement.
Look at me if I go start my own stock, yeah.
They don't no big movement.
People look on and can go stick here. So on Doji, people say on Doji, we know says I sell this.
Everything have to teach me now, youth.
Well, so you don't have the course, what you mean?
Technicals, youth. Yeah, I have a course, man. But
But what? There's no but, you have the course.
There's a lot of people give me courses, brother.
No, we never give you no course. You take your money and buy the course.
That's it.
So you invest your money and purchase the course. So you must know what you do with the course.
That's free there, but for some reason, I don't know, we just kind of like the fundamentals more.
Yeah, but fundamentals alone can't do Forex.
I have to take in a lot of, I have to take in the technicals, you know, especially like when I'm going to the crypto realm.
Yeah, because even XRP, we take some bias on XRP last week.
Come on, we know what this one.
Buy some XRP last week and we have some money left for fight. Because
XRP. Anything about XRP though, cause especially with the lawsuit and them still are trying to sort out.
That lawsuit they don't get over with, bro. You don't have to worry about that lawsuit there, bro. You know, see them not have nothing against them. You know, see some bad mind business.
Nothing that they clear them.
That's some bad mind business, bro. You know, so XRP is wire transfer, right?
Yeah.
So XRP is gonna be one of the most used crypto with the most volume. Cause even though Bitcoin can do day-to-day transactions, XRP are gonna be the ways businesses say BMW want buy X amount of aluminum. Them now go through wire transfer with them Chinese supplier for go wait 1 to 3 days to get the money and then declare the order. Through XRP, them are go do it in seconds.
Let me tell you something still. So with Bitcoin, it kind of just like, it's like how we have gold right now. Gold as we hedge against the dollar, like the same thing Bitcoin. Bitcoin will just be a foundation for the cryptos. And the future.
Yeah, Bitcoin now go on with Bitcoin is just a popularity contest, bro.
Use case and not the best technology for use case.
Yeah, because Bitcoin have too much negativity surrounded it. You get what I'm saying? Meaning drugs and sickness.
Technology itself not fast enough to actually be a unit of exchange. Can be a unit for whole value, but not an exchange.
Yeah.
If you want to talk about exchange, whether you have to talk about XRP, Solana.
Yeah. Because XRP, people don't even understand. People buying XRP, they even understand what they do. Buying XRP is like you go buy one stock. You get what I say? That is XRP to me. XRP is like you buying a stock. Because at the end of the day, when lawsuit done and XRP get implemented, how if it get implemented, you and me not go get for use it. We can just buy it on exchanges. We not go get for like use it how the bank go use it. Just like Swift and all of them things there. The bank just use that technology for supply one wire transfer. You get what I'm saying? So that people understand say what the bank really are gonna do is use XRP for faster wire transfer. So when a man from a owner from BMW goes up and say, yo, I want for 500 million, boom, that reach China within 1 second. You get what I say? So when me invest in our crypto, bro, that's why you not really like new cryptos will come out and me don't know nothing about them. The reason being, me not day trade crypto. You get what I say?
Crypto cut your short, bro.
So me not day trade crypto and them things there. So when it comes to crypto, me take it time to get to know what me I do.
Swing crypto.
So crypto for me is a fundamental perspective. You get what I say? So for XRP, me sit down and do my research on XRP, find out what is XRP? What the technology behind it? How it going to get implemented? How it going to work?
Yeah, man. In February, I will roll out a portfolio and tell the people how to analyze our crypto.
Because I have XRP for 2 years now. I'm cash out at XRP.
Apart from XRP, what else?
Just XRP and Bitcoin, man. I'm cash out at XRP 2 times. I'm cash out at Bitcoin 2 times.
Yeah.
I know me just know me a stock back
I'm
up.
interested in a Ethereum.
No, me not touch that one yet.
Everything on Ethereum blockchain is looking good still, man.
Ethereum
fun.
supposed to move big now because of NFT and them thing now.
Brother, but the whole of them, most of them new crypto are based on Ethereum blockchain now.
Yeah. So Ethereum supposed to move hot now because of
Ethereum move, man. Bigger moves than Bitcoin, man.
Yeah.
So last year, them time Ethereum with the 1,000 and with the 3,000.
But me eat a food pan XRP, but me eat a food pan XRP, but me the kind of fool. You get what I'm saying? Cause me buy XRP for 1 cent, you know. Yeah.
I make a lot of food last year on the crypto still, but me use by camera.
Oh.
I make a nice $1,000. $1,000 and I just say, no, I just invest in the craft and invest.
One day I wake up on XRP and I'm up about 3,000%. I post it on Instagram. When it comes to XRP, at thousands of percent, I go buy, man. And the more I go up, the more I buy. Every time I buy like $2,000 worth, $3,000 worth, I'm just keep buying it.
The one thing now I try buy $100. Just split $100 between the crypto and every month.
So I just...
I still have to make sure it's in the hedge.
So my cash out up top, man, at $2. Whoa! Skin off my teeth. Remember when my boy XRP the day before.
We need to get Malik on the chat.
Yeah, man. Malik too busy. Malik I stocks boss that now.
Malik has stocks, crypto, work, everything, brother. I don't know the man finds much time nowadays.
Yeah. But I love the crypto thing still. But I tell you why I'm on for the stocks. Because I watch billions. I watch billions and billions more for the stocks.
Okay. Tell us, stocks are just one are the safest way right now.
So how dividends go?
5 years ago? You see 5 years ago when everybody that say, yo, stocks are volatile and stocks tricky right now. I hit the grandpa game. I hit the slow, steady, safe game.
Well, I don't want to play too safe, isn't it?
I know, man, but in a way when you know so you can guarantee your money.
So how it is for how dividends go? I never did watch your videos still.
So dividends, me always try to invest in the best dividend stock in Jamaica. But what proven over the course of me investing in them is some of them will have a good dividend return. But them stock, the way it move, foolishness. It move very crappy. So and every time you have to chase after dividend yields. Sometimes you have to have a perfect mixture of yields plus
what are yields? Remember we have people when I know nothing about
dividend yield are the return you're supposed to get per year on your investment.
So so give me one example. Give me an example.
That's like how me invest in the JMMB preference share. Then dividend yield is 7.35% for the year.
So you guarantee that amount?
Yeah, man, every year me guarantee that amount.
No matter how much me invest?
No matter how much I invest, I could have $1,000, you'll get 7.5%.
So I invest $10 million in a JMD, me have to get 7%.
Yes, sir. 10 million?
So I drop $10 million in a JMD, me have to get 7%.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to do the maths now and tell you how much. That I give you.
What's 700,000, man?
I give about 735,000 for the year.
Yeah, man.
To invest that. And then, because I'm paid every month, I will get 60 grand every month. So basically, that'll be like you buy a rental property.
Yeah, that's what I tell you. Say. People don't understand, say, sorry, real estate, guy.
Same way, man. And this is way more safe in a way, because guess what? You're not paying no property tax. Nobody not demolish your house.
So what are the highest paying dividend something?
Right now, based on the market,
Mm-hmm.
it's at 7.35% the JMB and Carreras pay the highest dividend. They buy the highest dividend yield.
So why them money where they over hundred of millions of dollars? Why them not put them money there? So is it that them not know?
Alright, me tell you, some of them now, with 100 in Jamaica, 100 million and something there, them now buy for returns most of the time, them buy for ownership of company.
Oh.
So them okay with some of the returns them, but them are buying a company with them know say you don't make your own piece of the company.
Mm-hmm.
And that 7.35 they are only for 7 years.
Only
So
for
in 2028 that will expire. Expire means
so
they're not obligated to give that 7.35.
So when it expire, I can take back my $10 million.
Yeah. Right now I can take up my money. I can buy a $3 and I think it's $3.20 right now.
But you no matter how much you move by, because you have to get a 7%.
I think it's 7%, but you can also get more money from the 7% if the stock price go up. So you appreciate. You know,
What career has to be again?
but them take us, what them big company?
Mm-hmm. Me hear about them all the time. What them be again?
Cigarette.
Eh?
Cigarette, that's a cigarette.
Oh, what them kill off the people them? What them kill off the people them?
That's why some people go know to invest in it.
Yo, you know what? You know what gonna be the hottest stock, but it not come out yet.
Yeah.
I mean, I think they have done yet. When the weed stock come out.
You know what say in Jamaica though, it just too unpredictable. Because you know say the man you will have a ganja farm, you have it legally. In a year and everything legally, business, have a license. And there's a chance that if you feel all one test, the money will come and just tell us to lock up business. I think the same thing happened to Epicon one day. Then they have to get rid of how much pounds of them weed because they just late for renew them license, but the board will control it there in Jamaica never renew them license that time. So it's tricky in Jamaica, brother, and it's tricky in the US though.
But in the US, we have...
It still have a stigma. If you have the medical route with it though, and pharmaceuticals, then you're good. But recreational, people still...
We have one guy when I watch. There's somebody when I watch, but him big in a gaming, but him a like business in a gaming. Him own like teams and him sitting there. And him recently... You know what the house say now? Shut up, 115 million. Him recently opened one of them business there with one of them investor where him have the farm them and them something. And the man him show some like returns of a company are going good with so far. And it major. But what you explain saying them type of business are the biggest thing in them business they are network.
Yeah, true.
You have to know people. And me tell you what Jamaica fool. Yeah, bro, there's a billion ways Jamaica can become one of the top country in the world, you know. You get to?
Leaders them now allow you to do that.
You get them answer? Because you see, if Jamaica really say if the government take up if it themselves, bro, and take up the weed thing serious in a Jamaica, like meaning say them whole heap of acres of bush the way at Westmoreland. Remember say Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, you know, bro, have the prime something, you know, bro, prime climate for weed, you know. Some places in the US, you know, I in a basement in the farm them there, you know. Cause this a guy when me I tell about, you know, bro, and I know something if what I do for him farm there, you know. I don't want building with beer light. Jamaica have the ideal temperature, ideal weather, everything for it, bro. To get the best quality, because even though them do use light and them thing there, you know, the light kill the quality same way, you know.
Because
so them
most of them places they don't have the proper, they don't have the long. Either them have too much sunshine or them have a little bit of sunshine, but we have the ideal hours per day for the sunshine.
Yeah, people vaping popular, but I'm not vaping we are talking about. Vaping a little put battery in a business. We are talking about Jamaica having like putting weed on the map. And the thing is, you know, me tell you this. You see if a Jamaican company up in a weed farm and put Bob Marley picture on that, are the highest selling weed in every state in the US to allow weed for sell. Me not ask someone I tell you that.
Yeah, man. I'll give you some fight against them. I'll give you a fight against though. Never see no black people who fight against.
Yeah, bro, but the thing is, you can't fight against some things, You can't fight against Usain Bolt being the fastest man in the world.
True.
Better to say you can't fight, no matter how you try to fight against you can't fight against you. Let me tell you the thing is, you see, in a weed is a loving business. Let me tell you that. If you ever notice with weed, a man we are smoke, you will see a man out there start smoke on a stiff. And because one other man walk past him and smoke to you, two of them turn big brethren.
Yeah, man. Tell us when the man them high, if I go to a party, you just sit down and watch how the man them move, brother. There's a camaraderie between them. It's either come like coffee drinkers. You see them hipsters and them people love coffee and then they are Starbucks and it's like a community,
Yeah.
The whole of them move a certain way.
Bro, Jamaica just late, bro. You see if Jamaica take up the thing serious, bro, and take up 100 acres of bush at Westmoreland.
If they make the licensing more what you call it now? Attainable to the normal man. Set the barrier to entry so high, it would be great. They just take an easy $2 million, buy one greenhouse, take a next $1 million and get the technology in the greenhouse, get your license and you're good to go.
Exactly. And you go on the road and them just give you can export and everything and you just supply some US company.
Barrier entry low, like you can't look on certain things and say just because a man used to look down upon you at the past, like look upon you as ganja head. No ganja head, a business. If you say the ganja will be an export help make medicine. Right now they must say about how certain strains, the cannabis can help treat corona. So when I say the smoking, because when you smoke it, the most of them because they have a breakdown. But when you actually extract it, you could have put it now in pill and capsules and sell it and you hear say, yo, we can treat corona now. So you don't have to take no injection, just take the pill.
But
they're not free.
No, bro, you see, the thing is, you have to understand, it's poverty control. You see me I say? Some people don't understand poverty control in our country. A country can't have everybody rich. You get what I say? All the country can't afford to do that at Dubai. You can't have everybody rich.
And even then, it's a what you call it now? It's an economics thing. It's sad stories that everybody cannot be rich.
Everybody cannot be rich, bro. But guess what?
If everybody rich, that means we have to go buy a bird for $5,000 slice.
Everybody can be rich at Jamaica.
Because if I say everybody rich, we can't afford that.
Everybody can rich at Jamaica. You get what I'm saying? But the thing is, they want to keep the poverty rate too high.
Yeah.
The poverty rate in Jamaica too high. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
but at the same time, but Jamaicans need to be grateful for. Jamaica one of the easiest country for normal man get rich. And people not understand that. People still not understand that at Jamaica. People not get it at Jamaica. So enough things wanna go out and buy a supermarket and spend money and spend this and spend that, bro. Enough people other countries can't afford to live them life there. Yes, we might go over there and the money seem enough to it, but the money only enough for them to come back for the country.
Over there you have to make us like look on it. If you're in America, you have make $30,000 per year. Like there's some places you barely get by with that. If you carry $30,000 per year in Jamaica, it's about $4 million per year.
You're good.
Or $3 million enough per year. And how much are we make that?
Exactly.
We could have lived a nice life with that.
Jamaica one of the easiest way to get by. And may I show you why the easiest way to get by. There's a lot of things out there in the world when they're in Jamaica. I always tell people this. If you want to come up with a business idea, just look for something there in the US when they're in Jamaica and just implement it and you go on the road. Simple. Jamaica lack innovation. Jamaica the way around one bush around one place. You get what I say?
No, we lack innovation because
I see a link, bro. I see people them a fight against link. Let me say, yo, what the common sense there?
You can't fight against that, brother. That right? When we see link, I say finally. Tell
Like
us this.
how people must
Tell
fight
them
against
how
Link.
Tell them how excited me the whole link. Immediately when I hear about link, the first thing come to my mind, I like Jack Dorsey, we own Twitter, we own Square.
Mm-hmm.
I say, yo, finally, America they're on the tech scene.
Yo, may I tell you this, you know? I may talk this on stream, you know? I can show you guys, you know? Me personally email them, you know, bro. I say, yo, what go on? Me personally email them, you know, bro. Proposal, right? Did they say, you know?
Yeah.
I say, yo, how me can be beneficial in the project and thing.
Mm-hmm.
Right there and then. Because guess what? I know the innovation behind this project. People don't understand, say, yo, everybody and their mother US use a Cash App. Everybody and their mother US use Cash App. Right now, you more forget $10 through Cash App than ask somebody on the road for $10.
Look how right. Look how easy we make money off of the referrals.
Yeah. Me make about $20,000. Me make one.
We make 15, bro.
One link, you know, I may tell you
say
that is just one day. That is literally one day. Because the next day, I couldn't withdraw. I say, yo, I withdraw first. The first day, I withdraw about 2.5. And then, throughout the rest of the day, you know, I couldn't withdraw. So I left it up. I left the app and I never did like put it on my story back or nothing. And then after that now them did email the support on them, but them take a couple days well though, but 1 5 day, them email me back and say them never did expect the volume for so much. Them might put it on Twitter like them never did expect so much people to actually sign up first.
Don't come off for the
Yeah man.
Don't come off for it. They always say don't look on a career chart and see
Yeah, so them never expect so much people to actually sign up with it. So because of that now, then it affect them some server thing. So that's why the payout never did work.
Me, if I own a tech company and the volume crash my side, yes, it's a bad message, but me I love that because it show me now say my site is in demand. And
then I go to boom and I did it and I wait and then I say, I go back on the app, I say $17,000. I'm just cash out. I just cash out on the $17,000 and then after me cash out now, I never bother do nothing back with it. And you know say it come to me yesterday. I have it in my Instagram Reels timeline. Because that is the next thing to guys. If you have your business, you start do some Instagram Reels. TikTok dead. Let me tell you that people. TikTok now last 2 years. See after 1 year, next 2 years, everybody forget about TikTok. Instagram just run TikTok foot red. You get the message? Yo, you can't scroll up on Instagram in a piece, you know?
Look see how they go. Maybe them do the same thing with them do to Snapchat.
TikTok.
I'm trying to actually use Snapchat same.
Me not use. You know, see Instagram come out with stories. What you bother use Snapchat for? Let me tell the people.
TikTok have a whole for the market and so see how it go.
No, let me tell you what I beat TikTok, bro. TikTok revenue streams are lacking, bro. Me tell you say Facebook, bro. You say Facebook. Remember, you know, people in Jamaica have this thing, bro. If a business use in Facebook ads, them are this and them are that. Let me tell the people. Digicel I use Facebook ads. NCB I use Facebook ads. Every corporate company use Facebook. Every company use Facebook ads. See? TikTok now have no Facebook ads. TikTok now no TikTok ads. You get what I say?
You see people?
So something have to cater for the corporate world of things too. You get what I say, bro?
Listen, I actually say, I right here, so no much I want to listen, and no much I want to start my own business. Right there is an idea. Talk about creating ads. They must say maybe TikTok not have enough ads. So who much I can do the research and figure out how to make an ad on TikTok, and then sell that service to businesses and say, yo, we can make a get a presence on TikTok.
So me just go up and link and I have 5 bills. I get 500. So me just go up and link. I'm a plan for and since me something they work, since me cash out work, my plan for something there again. My plan for something the way name. Yeah, so I cash out work a while like but if you save that 5 bills there, you know. Should I save that 5 bills there for my video? Yeah, my plan for do one Reels video and show how the easiest way to make $500. You get what I'm saying? The easiest way to make $500. Yeah, because Reels are going good. I'm gonna notice if you guys go on my Instagram and go look, I post like 4 Reels last week. Every day I post one. Every day I post something on Reels. Cause my sister, yo, I
don't really post much on Instagram, but I try the Reels thing before I go on social media, YouTube break. I try it, and trust me, a long time I get so much engagement on Instagram. And usually, when I make an Instagram post, you know, reflect on the YouTube. But since I start making them Reels, yeah,
man, you Reels them, alright. You see how you post YouTube videos? I'm show you do it now. You see you post. You see where you will post YouTube videos. Me show you how you go overboard, you know. Me show you how you monetize Instagram to YouTube now. You see you as a person known for investment and them something. Eh? First of all, one day enough a pass and you not post about it on your story.
Oh yeah.
Zin? One day enough a pass and you not post about that on your story. Here one now, so when you drop a YouTube video, you must always take out one short funny part or so out of your video and post it as a Reels. Zin? Post it as a Reels. You have that. You see during the week where you not post no YouTube video, you can post short Reels about investment. Just some little short thing, answer one question. You not have to sit down and record the video them on the day when you have to post it. You can have your plan sketch out for the whole week where you go post, say you want to do every other day, anyhow you want to do it, and you're good. Because you see your YouTube, you see your Instagram. If you use Instagram as a businessman, no Instagram to post a picture and you know beach this and beach that. If you use Instagram as a businessman, you can grow up on Instagram faster than YouTube, right?
Come on.
But if people on Instagram know you for a certain thing and they know say in order for me find out more about this thing, I have to go to your YouTube. So there, so you get the comparison. You get what I say? Because once your Instagram start feed to your YouTube are gonna start recommend you on YouTube more. Then you have one whole big growth scale right there. So you get what I say?
Yeah, man.
You have to use Instagram, bro. And Instagram how you go get through Instagram you can get a lot of deals from companies and them thing there.
Realize, man, they realize since the Reels come out, you get a direct stream from Instagram.
Yeah, man, if you go on Reels, bro, guaranteed 2,000 views. Guaranteed 2,000. Guaranteed 2,000 views.
Like when I'm video them, when I put up on mic and leech in the brother, I literally take 30 seconds to just say, oh, also that little thing I phone him can make a little video like 30 seconds, boom boom video, done, up.
Alright, I post one Reels yesterday and I get 3,910 views on that. Right? I have to remember say once you post Reels consistently, the more people see you, every day you probably get one new 10 followers, or 15 followers. And when you get them followers, that's why I tell them now, say, you have to post a story them. Because if somebody come follow you, yes, go to your page and say, alright then, boom. Good dude for go follow. However, you not see him. If you notice me only follow 53 people, bro. You say some people when I follow take too long for post story, it don't make sense me follow them. You get what I say? So you have your Reels them, but at the daytime you must have your little daytime thing where you post. You get what I say?
Yeah, man.
This stock did well today, and you know that stock did go on good, and you know this are going in the crypto world, this are going in the Jamaican world, and then You know, only push your Instagram more, you know. You push your research more because you find yourself that you learn more every day in the world same way.
Information just come to you.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to start on something. I talk to you about this still, but I want to start with this guy where I want to have people on it who want to have like 10 people who know them space. So I want somebody who know Jamaican stock space. I want somebody who know the US stocks space. I want somebody with NFT. I want somebody with crypto. I want somebody with real estate. But just want to start a community there and just give knowledge to the people there. Because it's very lacking, brother. It's very lacking.
Yeah, people in Jamaica don't know that, bro.
Everybody have a equal.
Cause Jamaica don't have no internet, you know, bro.
That 50% of the country have.
Jamaica don't have the internet, you know. And let me tell you, Jamaica don't have no bloggers. Not vloggers, bloggers. Yes, when you go up on YouTube, on Google, guys, I'm showing you something. When you go up on Google, I type in what is crypto, right? When I type in what is cryptocurrency, you know, guys, you see what you see right here, sir? This is actually a blog, you know. See it right there, sir. The person here write the blog. See it here. This person write the blog. The person here sit down and do him research and come up with everything, and him prepare all of this. This is what Jamaicans don't do. So you see, because of that, information gathering in Jamaica is so high. It's so you have to know a man for how to do this. Right now, if you go look out for do certain things, I probably want to observe an article from 5 years ago. When you go check it out, I know say it actually go now. You get what I'm saying?
Information slow.
The information in Jamaica very slow.
In Jamaica very slow and limited.
Very slow and limited.
Everybody just wants to be, and you can't wrong them still at them bread, but everybody just wants to be famous couple or the famous, just entertainment. But as I said, the space fresh for people who really want to tote information and help people. So you can use all the collabs and information we need. But we need to put the space out so people can have an equal footing. Tired to see people say they rich off of Bitcoin and ETH and certain stocks, and we just there because we don't have no access to the market there. And the information.
And the thing is, we get access to the markets, but guess what? Because every day we go to do and we see scammer, what I do, we say everything is a scam.
Everything is a scam. I see people just hear Gary Vee somebody, I say, man, everybody talk about NFT is a scam, and he just say, I just do my research.
Everybody say everything is a scam.
My research, and he come out and watch it. My release must say 4 new projects about NFTs.
But Jamaica is a very slow space, bro. Jamaica is a slow. Jamaica is a very slow space.
Anything was hard to learn, always say a scam.
Because even me, bro, me not when me do things nowadays, everything when me do like in the business world, I probably only want paper me I go print and I want Jamaican print it for me. Because me just find say, you see, you have some people, bro, who just put in the work, bro. I mean, I say, yo, people at Jamaica, there's like them in a matches box, bro. Them not think. You get what I say? You have some people who sit down a yard with one bag of subject, right? And I say them can't find no work, bro. Them ever hear about Fiverr? People that on Fiverr are right essay for $10, $20. You go to school and you learn how to write one essay. You get what I say? Me know people who go a UE, bro, and study computer science, and I go tell me say them can't find a job. I say, bro, you don't know if you make website, bro?
One of the most in-demand skill right now.
I say, bro, you don't know if you make website. You get what I say? All of my people, now I see my screen right now. Look, all of my people, them, when me deal with in a business, boom, you see it? Fiverr. I put this in the course the other day. If you do the course, know this. Fiverr, see them? I'm going to all I plug them. Look, I've been using Fiverr from on 2016. See it's 2016. From 2016 me I use Fiverr. See that from 2016. The secure the bag logo, Fiverr. See them, I have all order upon Fiverr. See that right now I have about 2 active order, 1 active order. So one day I wait review and deliver. See it? I have Fiverr order where I go deliver later. You get what I say? Fiverr the thing, bro. Enough people at Jamaica have them skills and them no want to go up on. You see Fiverr make one whole programming and tech section just for that. You want your website, boom.
Bro, I see me release the video, my review with a girl I make 300k on Fiverr. She's a copywriter. So basically, this is just a person who good, but they call it now paraphrasing information. You don't have to be a talented writer. If you just can read information and then reword it, you should do that.
And the thing is, on Fiverr, all of the people them from Fiverr is dominated by one space in the world. And you know why the people them type of people that dominate Fiverr? Them can't get no work. All the people them have is a laptop, and the man them no complain. The man them make the laptop work. The man them are Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India. When you look on them projects, them when the man them have, sometimes you're looking at the queue. The man them have 500 of this to go make, and them a deliver them. If a 1 hour you forget it, 1 hour you get it, you know. Cause the man them no complain, bro. The man them just sit down and do them work. You have graphic designers out there where you work with. Them a tell you say, yo, you can't get this next week, you know, because I have 10 flyers to go make.
Man, I knock out 10 flyers in a day.
You get what I'm saying? And them man upon Fiverr, bro, them literally sit down and make an office for themselves in their house and then just sit down and do them work.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
A man at Jamaica go make you know say you can't make 3 flyers for a day.
I mean, like I said, I don't want people hear this message and think so we are burn out on school and think, because school have its place. But right now, if you think logical, in a sense, you take up your money and say you go to school and study some little course and it make no sense. If you look at the market right now and see where the world will go, world will go tech. If you don't have the medicine or law, try going to tech. Anything apart from that, it's kind of iffy.
So everybody will love go to the psychology at university, it don't make no sense. Jamaica no guidance counselor.
No make no sense, bro.
People at Jamaica keep them problem to themselves.
Nobody now come to Jamaica and have the culture of sharing. Like, if you sit down and actually talk about mental state, Jamaican state, so if you look at your market and know, so that not going to work. So get a skill there at school will make sense where you're not going to waste your money.
And even the last stream, we have somebody in the stream who did a complaint saying parents want to go university, but him no want to go because he want to trade. And it's like, it's so like a situation where them want to send him to university, right? But him must say very frustrating because it affect him, like him trading and them thumbnail and them thing. But me I tell him say, yo, you know, frustrating, you know, bro, are just how you interpret it. I say right now, university are one of the best thing if you not have to worry about certain things. Reason being, if me in a situation like him, bro, is a deal me a cut, you know. I tell my parents, and this will tell everybody on stream. Boom. If I go to university and your parents are pressure you, is a deal I have to go on. If me I go to university, you have to go send me go work and travel. Simple. I have to go up and work and travel. There's no way me I go.
Or to pay a fee.
I don't have to pay for the work and travel before me go. Once you don't pay for the work and travel, I will gladly go. And you go so boom, bro. Are you good? Are your income stream that in bro?
2 things. Is either them pay fee for school straight through, you don't get no loans when you left school, or them pay fee you can go up and work and travel so you can pay off a school loan. Isn't it?
Because you can't go up and work and travel, you know. You can go up and work and travel. Work and travel is so powerful and people don't even realize it. Work and travel come like a university hack. Especially now where you all want to cock up on the yard just to watch a video them on a class. You get the way I say?
You watch things you can see. When you show your mind open to another society and a way of living, You see a lot of things. Your mind advance. Come on.
You go up and work and travel, you can make couple million well, you can save. And me tell him say literally, bro, me tell him say, yo, if you go up and work and travel and you come back and after expenses, say you pay your school fee out of it, so you have 1,700 or 1,800,000 left and you don't know what to do with it, you open a Scotia investment, one Barita investment and get a mutual funds and just put it 700,000 or 800,000 over there until you know what to do with it. And you just keep doing that. You get what I say? You can't, you say if you have money and you don't know what to do with it, the worst place for the money there in your bank account. No, the worst place, bro, the worst place. For it there in your bank account, because guess what, you're going to take opportunities where you don't know nothing about. Right? You're going to start, everything is going to become affordable now, you know. When I did...
You the nail on the head, everything will become affordable for you.
When you could have eat 2 pieces and your belly full, you go buy the 3 piece now and still only eat the 2 pieces of chicken and dash there at the next piece. You get what I say? You open a Scotia investment account and you just fling money over there. You get what I say? And that when me sell my first property, you know, bro, I don't know if you do the money, you know. I go suburb, I open a Scotia investment account and just fling you over there.
Honestly, right now, bro, a lot of people might see me in the nice undercard and thing and say, yo.
Yeah, man, I see a pass with you, man.
You see, say you to make money, and it's like, I love my curious, and no, but I'm not head for want, you see me, but when you can look on them things there and say, you know, say, instead of you pay for the car a month time, sell it, buy a cheaper car, and the money where you can pay for it, you can put it in some investments and get 10 times the return. So some people might say me sell the car this year and say, oh, it broke, but so you know your goals, and know how to actually manipulate money, you are the real winner at the end of the day, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Look on Graham Stefan on YouTube, man. Man, I make $6 million a year on YouTube. I know the man, I'm like, the man was selling Tesla over there. And there's a 2004 Volvo, the man that drive. And once if somebody licked Latino here, as he can buy back one more for $200.
Exactly.
It's all about just manipulating money, know your skills.
Manipulating money, bro.
Yeah, man.
That's why the first thing. That's why me will never. Listen, boy, me I give you too much gems. People, me show you this. You see, before you go buy one $4 million car, that can buy you 2 cars where you can rent and make 200,000 a month.
Exactly.
That can buy 2 axes you and left change.
And you see, especially if you live in America, you have this app. Think, you know Quan?
Yeah, man, Quan do it, man. He might kill me if you buy 2 cars over there, you know.
Puro.
Yeah, man. Me and Quan in a class from grade 1, you know. Me and Quan go primary school. Yeah, man, me and Quan in a class from grade 1. And me and Quan part the whole primary school, high school, and everything, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Toro or something like that.
If you live in America, that's the only time I say I'm going to buy an expensive vehicle. But if I buy an expensive vehicle, the market want. I rent out that, bro. See how the Jeep Wrangler, you see people rent that a lot. The Jeep Wrangler and the Tesla.
Especially the Jeep Wrangler rent a lot, especially in summer.
The man saying can collect the 15 days and cover the monthly payment for the Wrangler from Toro. The rest of 15 days in a month, a profit.
Yeah, man, him show me, man. Him show me, man.
Yo, things there, bro.
But even at Jamaica,
Yeah.
you go buy one big $4 million vehicle right now, right? People, if you go to the bank and you qualify for your, say your bank love call you when you not get good salary, you know. Boom, especially NCB. When I go to NCB, anytime I go to NCB, I feel wonder if a choppy woman them over there chop. They know somebody call people. Hello, you get what I say? Me have to wonder where the loan officer they over there do. If a loan them a give or a scam them a scam. Because they just over there call people the whole day offer them money.
And I recommend you for some 800,000. Like legit, them a call me and I say, yo, Mr. Fever, man, I can come for your credit card that's been pre-approved for 800,000 a month. But I mean, not make nowhere close to that. Where I recommend 800,000 a month for? And that's a trap where them kill people, you know. For instance, you make 70k a month and they recommend you for 150,000 credit card. You might look at that and say, oh, the bank believe in me. Yo,
You gonna spend 150, you know?
don't do that.
Alright.
Overspend and get.
Me tell you what me do. Me tell you what me kill the system. Me tell you what me kill the system now. Watch the same Graham there, right? NCB did offer me one credit card for 500,000, right? Me go in for go pick up the credit card now. Say to the guy, say yo, put the limit at 50,000.
Yeah.
The man I go tell me say yo, you know, bro, say I'm gonna call the whole world for do that now, you know. So you have to go call the whole world for put the limit to 50,000, you know. Me I say me we wait, man, me we wait. Do you make a call, man? Me we wait. Me have the whole day. When he say me serious now, he want to come give me a pep talk and thing. Say yo, you know, it's good for you because you was a businessman, and if you see some business move and you don't really want to dip in your cash, you can take advantage of this and take advantage of that. I say no, man, I $50,000 more, man. Me good, man. But I tell the people, your credit increase the closer you go to the limit and pay it off. Tell me now. Me have to go spend 500,000 and pay off but the 500,000 for my credit even bill.
It makes no sense.
So me get a $50,000 one now, Zine, and me just use it and pay me light bill.
Now we can look for it and say, so that you can pay back that money a good amount, so your credit go up.
So you get what I say?
500,000.
So my credit keep going up, bro, and then them not top pressure me. Then I start pressure me forget to get the new one them and get the travel one them and come get the platinum one them and
I remember ATM message come up on the
ATM screen, eh? And sometimes them have one dirty habit. I'm always show people them pan Instagram, you know. How NCB has a email me half of my money. them do that to you? Them email you half of your money at one time?
Every time.
Every month.
Give me some ridiculous interest rates. So it's because I know
and then
how the system works.
I explain it to one of my friends. I go show one of them guys. I go show one of them and explain to one how it actually go. Like people might have said, well, I just $12,000 me a pay back or I just $20,000 me a pay back.
How long though?
But imagine when 100 people take that. You get what I say?
Yeah, man.
NCB literally can give people a loan and make $6 million profit in a 1 month. 60 million profit in a this amount of time and them something there. And people now look on them thing there.
The people go with the and chat and on the YouTube. YouTube they're behind by my computer.
The man them there, man.
Yeah.
Alright people, see it? I'm show them for example now this now. Right? They might offer me 125,000 zin. I pay $7,500. No, monthly payment at 28,000, right? For 6 months. So I'm show them now. I have to pay one flat free fee if you get the account, if you get the money too. So 28,000. So we're gonna do some months. That's 170,000, right? We're gonna minus the 125 but then anyway. So that's 45,000 they make, right? So imagine 100 people go take that loan, you know. Right? They make about $4.5 million in just a space of 6 months. Easily. And the money half a pay back. The money half a pay back. Easily. So imagine, and that's 100 people. That is minimum. Imagine all 1,000 people take that. 45 million.
Easy.
1,000 people take that easily.
It's because
45 million.
The market always have a need. People always have a need for money.
Mm-hmm.
Especially when they don't know how to manage it. Always.
So people tell me, me no want the 125,000. When me I take the people them money go do with it? Yeah. That's one of my friend. I call one of my friend the other day and I be a call me here in the background. But I tell me say yo, he buy some cow and some hog pan work when he come from work and travel, man. He buy some cow and some pig, man. And then I tell me say right now when I cow supposed to when I cow in kid supposed to have some other cow.
Them thing there, like
And
parents always say, grandparents and everybody always say, oh, the biggest statement that will ever catch you, your broke is if me didn't know. And yeah, look up and work and travel. I'm gonna make a bunch of mistakes with my money. Because if me did properly, if me did be the person that I am today, when I went and work and travel, would I tell to see me on TV. That man them big investor there, brother. Big investor, would that be the Gary Vee of Jamaica. But you have to learn things in your life to know who you want to become. Right
exactly.
now, this space we're in right now, just to make people share them experiences and know which mistakes to avoid. So that's why I like things like this. People don't have to make the same mistake that we do. We can learn from it if they're smart enough.
Yeah.
And discipline do the proper things in our life. So anybody who get the chance to go up and work and travel and get the chance to experience that they can make nice money or just to hear the information and they can move in their life faster because they don't have to make them mistakes.
Yeah, man. May I tell you, so work and travel, one of the biggest hack. Biggest hack to a generation. And people go up on it. How much 100 people go up on it? Or probably thousands. And they don't know what they do. They don't know what they do. Then go buy beer clothes. I'm
gonna come back for a country with my house every weekend. I go to a restaurant and told
clothes. Listen, man. Me tell them, man. I have some friend in there. They're probably the funny stream still, but I don't know where to go. They go up and work and travel. See him? My boy them still. They understand the thing. They understand now. They go up and work and travel. See them on Instagram, none at all, When they dey on work and travel, cause say overtime and double job or triple job and work a bun up, man. Last week I work and travel now. Yesterday I start post up 2 pictures and then go 2 places. So when I reach at Jamaica now, every weekend, Fridays, 100. Car rent up, hotel. Everything man. You see by then come back in September them time. You see by February, see them again. Calm down.
Bro, remember, so I'm to the supermarket. I'm in college. I have 2 pack of shrimp. The weekend I go to the supermarket and big chicken and big meat and mutton like a Christmas every weekend, bro, big cooking. Because we never know how to manage money. You can always have it in the back of your head so you want rich. But as I always tell a man, if a man can't manage $10 and he might as wish for $1 million, when he get it, he might go blow it the same way he blow a $10.
Exactly, bro. People, you better you get $1 million. You better you get $1 million, bro, and know say you invest on 200 years or on 200,000 years or on 200,000 years and not make nothing.
Because you get hard to make sure say you know to manage money. You just have to know 3 things, But I go more than 3. You don't know it, but savings, investment, and then you have your emergency fund. If you focus on them 3 there, you're good. The savings, just make sure say you put it in the account. savings are gonna be the money where you need for like if you have a purchase, so you say, alright, next month I have to go service my car. Alright, next month I have to go buy a piece of furniture for my house. They'll be your savings. You just have that money they put up. And you have an emergency fund. Emergency fund you tell somebody like your bullshit money. If you lose your job, if you fall flat on your face and you need money to get through life, it'll be an emergency fund. You see me? When your investment now, that'll be how to grow your money. And after a person who don't know if you invest, it don't have to be hard, brother. Because if you're in America, you can just put your money in the S&P 500, put in some index, some ETF, well, basically guarantee you 8% per year. And just leave it. You don't have to look on it. That's how I put money in it at one time.
Yeah, alright. So me tell you how my perspective go ahead for that though. You see the ETF on them top now?
Yeah.
And then someone put the emergency money. Is it in?
Yeah, you can do that too, man.
Alright. You see the investment money now? You have to diversify it. If you notice, you see every man, when I say we're rich off of investments and them something, them have ownerships. Meaning, them even have properties with them rental properties. Even Stephen Graham, when you watch rental properties.
Yeah, man.
Stephen Graham, a lot of money when he used to make. One of people I know about, Oppenheim Group. He used to be one real estate agent for Oppenheim Group.
Sell himself house and them thing.
Yeah.
And he not even was a brilliant, he not even be the best. Because almost a rental property, he get most of the money off of just people want some place to rent and he refer them.
Yeah.
You know the real estate space work. Once you refer, if you're a real estate agent and you refer somebody to set a place they rent, they get the first month's rent.
Yeah. So you get and you have to remember, you say Oppenheim Group. Oppenheim Group are the thing that we name at the top. People, when they play some house, I show and say there's someone buy one house. There's some the Beverly Hills people place. There's someone living in.
Yeah.
So Beverly Hills.
Wicked.
Don't not worry about, bro. Listen, man. You get tax if you make money in a certain place. And that people understand. You can live here, so but at Jamaica you make your money. At Jamaica you pay your tax too.
You pay your tax, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So you have to know how to make the money. For example, not all the people them, but sure now the business side going on. So a lot of people them want to live at them place there. At Delaware them open them companies. Meaning say Delaware have one of the lowest tax for businesses. Zin, Facebook, Delaware. Amazon, Delaware. So Jeff Bezos them can go at them place to go live life anyway. You get what I say? Because at the end of the day, when you have a business and a company, at which part you do business, at which part you register.
So most of them incorporate in business in Texas and Las Vegas.
Yes. Yeah, man. So you don't have to worry about tax over there so high. Only thing over there so high is cost of living in a house and them something. But you don't say, you not go to them place unless a year's standards, you reach that level then if you can, go to them place there. So you make good money off a rental, even though a rental not pay enough. He might make $30,000, bro, $20,000. You get what I say? And people are rent often, so you get 10 of them, they $100,000 that. So in order to grow your portfolio, bro, you have to have ownership. Not just ownership in stocks and them something there. You have to have ownership whether you have a business for yourself or you have properties. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, them something there, ownership can use as collaterals. Collaterals can use to get the other assets. For example, you own 3 houses, you can refinance 3 houses to go buy 6 houses. Because you can refinance them, use the 3 refinance money off of each house for your down payment on 3 other house plus get the loan for the house them. You get what I say?
Yeah.
So you have to have the ownership, because the ownership are going to bring it to a whole different level.
Now I'm bridging to the same thing, man.
So
buy
if
a property,
uh-huh.
buy a property for 8 mil, and then fix it up, put an next $2 million and fix it up. And then when I'm living on it for a year,
Mm-hmm.
and then get the refinance and then come now them say, alright. First you have to get the property evaluated. Then they evaluate property now, they say property worth 15 million.
Mm-hmm.
And take out a loan for under 15 million, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And use that now, get a next property.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, I
And
say
he
you have to do it, bro.
And if next property you might get now, I fix up, I live in a that, and he rent out the one when he did it now.
Alright, so you have to have ownership. You have to have ownership. Because guess what? You see a 10% them and them something, bro, where you get off of like the S&P 500 and them something, you guaranteed 10% or you guaranteed 7%. Them money they not big unless you have enough money. You get what I say?
Mm.
You can't get 7% forever, you know, bro, and reach to the reach 65, you know.
Yeah.
That not cut it.
Have to have something.
So
where
you have to have the ownership in other things now. The ownership in other things to make you the real returns them, you know. Your 500,000 here, so your 10 million over here, so your 2 million over here, so your 3 million over here, so. And some people don't understand say in this world, no five things them where you want to do, and you don't have the money. All you need is the real know-how, not the think me know-how. The real know-how in how to execute it. You get what I say? And you just put yourself in a certain places and put yourself in a certain places, put yourself in a certain network, ask certain questions, you know, and them thing there. And you can get money for fund them. Not for them big things, you know, wanna say a bit of Kingston, you know, bro. As some man where just know how, you know, bro. You get what I say? Scotia Bank a partner in a them, Proven a partner in a them, and them take them, bro, and the man them just use other people money and make some money and them good.
You know, well, we come from Junction. You know how much people come from the Junction here. But them hear about Junction, they might know about Tony Road.
Mm-hmm.
Tony Road or the plaza at Scotia Bank is on. And Tony Road wanted to expand that plaza. Scotia even offer him the idea and say, yo, you know, so we can expand the plaza and we can give you the money. The man legit make a whole plaza without even touching the money. And every month, tenants pay back a pay off the loan. So the man just get a building and build. With no upfront investment because he build his own proper
Exactly.
business from day one.
And him have a hardware pan the business. Right?
Exactly.
Scotia Bank are one of the people that we are paying rent pan the business.
That paying rent. You know so that now gonna know what you know.
You get what I say? And the whole of hit rent off go round. And not that again too. Him build 2 apartment where they and him have 2 other apartment complex too.
Mm-hmm.
And him son have a guest house.
You know, so his son go to school to study law, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he just study the law, just have the law degree and come back and work in his father hardware.
Yeah, man, he working at father hardware, so him run off the business today, so. Run off the hardware and him have a guest house. And him have a guest house. And me I tell you say, him one man we are trying to sell me some property. One man when me know have 100 acre of land at Treasure Beach. And him a sell each acre for $10 million per acre.
Treasure Beach?
Yeah, Treasure Beach. $10 million I must sell each acre for. And that and Tony Rose when one person buy 1 acre from him, so they might use that for as a selling point for try to sell them to be.
Go to them money they buy cash, you know, bro.
Yeah man, cash man.
As me I look at my bridge myself on a wicked deal on Treasure Beach and this man did a migrate and you can like maybe the beach they like half a mile from your house. So you know say if you look you can see the beach. You know, so the man migrate, and it's like the man know the word time land, and the man say $5 million cash. Anybody want it right now? And by the time my brethren could have called me the day and tell me about it, and I say me interested, and my brethren call back him and them say land sell.
Yeah bro, them land then on go the definite time.
I could have get the land them man.
Them land then on the definite time. Yeah man, so you have to start your thing and so you come to become business mongrel in a place, man. I saw you be business mongrel in a Jamaica, man. You just take advantage of some situation, take advantage of some 1 and 2 thing in a place, and you're good to go. And I saw you become top businessman in another country.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna reach it still now.
Yeah, man, of course.
Sooner or later, because I already say the business a kick off this year. Only because snags them I have now. Only snags them I have now just the paperwork I want to sign out to make sure say man and taxes can do properly. Because some freelancers me ever have. So now the man them not pay no tax and then come back.
Well, if you want the link on that number, you can link me up. You know?
Alright.
I have somebody can do all of that for you.
Alright.
Man, that's an easy thing, bro. Yeah, talk about a file when you give them a pay slip. That's an easy thing, you know, bro. The easiest thing. If I should tell you how easy it is, you only realize it's easy. That's the only thing Jamaica they reach Valley place when it comes to collecting the tax.
Yeah.
Meaning that you just have an accountant. I have one that I can recommend. Should do it for and enough money should do it for a month. I think about 15 grand should do it for.
That's
You do it for all of your employees, them get them pay slip, all of deductions them come out of them pay, you see how much you pay them, and for your TJ, you have one something called the TJ your tax profile online. You go see it and you go see how much you pay in taxes every month. And you just go punny with your card and pay every month. Then you know say at the end of the year you have overall for pay now at the end of the year. So that are your income and expenses. So you're going to use something called Zoho Invoice, or you're going to use QuickBooks to manage your income and expenses. And like how you go to work, every time you go buy a gas, that is an expense. Half of your rent is an expense. If you live in a house where you don't pay rent, you charge yourself one fee to operate a business from your house if you don't have one office. And if you don't have one office where you pay rent, you charge yourself rent. So you charge yourself a lot of expenses because as a new business, you don't want to be too profitable in your first years. Because you're going to pay enough in a tax.
Okay.
Because remember, you're going to pay a certain percentage, you know. And if you're a person who work with contractors and them something, they try not to pay nobody over 125,000. Anybody will pay over 125,000, you're going to pay one fat money. Meaning, say, anybody in Jamaica will get paid over 125,000, the government charge them 25% income tax. The government might take 3,000 out of your money, or out of the person's salary. The business have to pay the same amount as well too. So the deduction where the government get, so the government get 3,000 out of their money, and not just, people always think this, I don't know why people always think this. If you get to 200,000 and 25,000 come out of your salary as income tax, the people always think say the 25,000 will come out, it just goes straight to the government. The 25,000 goes to the government and the business have to pay 25,000 too. You didn't know that?
They have to pay on behalf of your work.
Yes. Any amount of tax for your workers them pay, you have to pay the same amount as well. As a business. So a business have to pay NIS, NHT, and all of them something. But here how you benefit from that now. You don't register your business as a company. You register as a business. Because you register as a business, all of those deductions are going to pay under your TRN. So your NHT benefits are going to go up quickly.
You will get the benefits.
Because everything will pay under your TRN in your NIS. So when NHT are so pull up your profile, all of them deductions they got in a year thing.
Yeah, the more tax you get, the more qualified. Basically, your rates them.
Yes.
You have more money in the pool then.
So you have more money in the pool because you pay tax them way there, you know?
Okay.
And then you have your little salary where you pay yourself. And you don't have to pay yourself no salary. You can just send money to your bank account. Anything where you send to your bank account count as you paying yourself. Yeah, man. I get a business account set up, which is easy thing, you know, and all of them look at something there. Easy thing, bro. One section in the course I show you for the whole of them something, by the way.
Yeah. Well,
see, yes, you say you're not the course. Yes, you say you're not the course. One section of the course teach you for register your business and all of them something. How for register.
Maybe that talk about it for you.
Yeah, one section in the course show you how to register your business and who you feel link about the taxes and them something there. So I have a link where you can get all of them something there. Fear done easily.
Alright, my boss. But you know, so I have to create more hype.
Huh?
It's because the business link with the YouTube channel. To make sure when we start back YouTube, the quality good and the hype around the business is generated properly. Because it's a direct presentation of the YouTube channel, you know?
Oh, the type of business I
generate the hype around the business, so I'm ready for launch.
Well, you need to link me, let me know what type of business. You tell me already, but I'm not a member. I mean, know what you tell me here.
Next time I come and send to me a link.
Yeah, man. Because I have one project, me think, remember what you did tell me, say? I have something I gotta do, one project where I have a upcoming, and I think your service supplement what I gotta do.
Yeah.
But I don't remember if I that day. You did tell me about one business, but I don't remember if I that day I gotta do.
I'll link you those two next
But when
time.
I link my half year, tell me it, so I remember if I that. So you utilize the business, you know?
Alright.
First client. Not you know how much 100,000 still know, but first client.
Use it. Just give me a good testimonial and we're good.
Don't worry about testimonial, bro. Listen, me tell you about testimonials. I have never asked somebody for a testimonial, right? I show you what, bro. I show you how me do business. You see, once you do good, you are gonna get good, bro. You see, once you put out good, you are gonna get good. You see, once you put out good quality and everything good, and you put out honest, good work, and you not take no shortcuts to your thing, and you are gonna get good feedback, bro. You get what I say? You are gonna get good feedback, right? I told them even if I know say you can even, as somebody purchase the course, I can tell them to do a review. I told them if I know that. All along the review button is just there. People just click it if they want.
On the website?
Yeah, like a Trustpilot thing.
Okay.
I never did even know so that exists. So in a business, bro, you gotta get the reviews. Them. You just put out the good work. You get what I say? The work I gotta speak for itself and just be innovative. Innovative, bro. Jamaica is not innovative. So once you be innovative, you gotta be ahead of the crowd. You gotta be ahead of everybody in your space. So you just have to be innovative.
This is all I go for your chat. Money signers, show your support. Donations and everything there. Can go on for youth. What do you say?
So we have donations, we have super chat, and we also have memberships. So we just get memberships a couple days ago. You know, say I get members when I reach at 30,000 subscribers. However, because of how the live stream have concurrent viewers and viewer engagement and so all the person they tell me about. Because of that, we unlock the feature from early. So normally they wanna only give it to gamers early, but them give it to my channel early because we have we're above what we there in a concurrent viewers every night, likes, people in the chatter. I do everything with them to do and people are talk and you know. Yeah, man. So I never know say live stream would have gone so good still, but you really go on, man.
You have a good community around.
Yeah, man.
Like
so every night we tune in and just put in the work.
You want to learn the space and people who have information, so you will have good content. And you have good content so the channel will do good, man. Because right now, see the 1.7K already.
Yeah, I'm gonna upload the video and I pause. When I upload the video about 2 weeks now.
Yeah.
Because I stream every night.
I want one now, I upload the video.
Yeah, man. When they go up on your channel the other night, when they tell the people them about your channel.
Yeah.
Them something there. What's this say? You ain't upload the video.
Yeah, man. I take a 1 month break just to structure the content of the channel and thing, and make sure to have a plan going. That's February touch.
Yeah, man.
I could even come up in the stream or anything.
Yeah.
Not too long ago.
Yeah, man, ad come up in the stream. Because the stream monetize.
Good man, that good.
So add.
So we start make your $4 deal when you're $3 deal on YouTube.
I even show you something you couldn't, you're not gonna believe.
Yes, I saw the chats them are going good.
Even show you something, you're not gonna believe it. But I
Link, man.
just say support our
Link,
people. I just say support our people, you know? And the people. And that people not understand with YouTube. YouTube is people. YouTube I know you build yourself on YouTube. A people build you.
People build up, you owe them everything.
You get what I'm saying? A people build you. So you have to be grateful and support your community and give back to your community and everything with your community, you know?
First video back the one do and giveaway.
Yeah, so right now we have backtest Fridays, so we're gonna do backtest tournament and give away a 10k funded account at the end of the month for this month, and then next month we're gonna do a 20k one, and we'll step it up and giveaways and things. When we have wealthy clothing drop, you know, so we'll give a couple of shirts and coupons and them something on the channel to the community, you know what I mean? We have a lot of giveaways and a lot of things, you know? We have fund account powered by Hot Forex.
There's a link after here and we can talk more about them things.
Yeah, man. So let's go and put in the work and things, bro. Let's go and put in the work, man. The stream nice though, I love it.
You're the back family.
What did we couldn't sleep?
It was great spending the night with you guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support when I give Ashien. Hope I continue.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, bro. Respect for Pastor. Head up on your work. Top engineer.
Yeah.
You know, so I think I know where you work, but I don't know if I this where you work.
Yeah, I see him place, man.
Yeah, I know somebody down there, you know?
Yeah.
The owner. Me ask you a question. The owner drive one Benz? We don't call the name. He have one Benz?
No.
He drive one Premium?
Most one different plant than maybe.
Oh.
As them people I was confused the next one with this one.
I know phone one and I one with water.
Also.
And the other one I one with water, not true? Oh, alright. Another one there, right? Go on the bro, I don't know none of them out there. Yo, right now me have to say, my light switch. Me did that run from 140 leg and my foot catch and it broke, you know? Don't ask me how. So you right now if you fix and me not screw off that, you know? So me know how no work at them the place the brother. Why if you go touch the wrong wire? Why if you go touch the wrong wire? All them they work the insurance must tall.
Why?
Me not like how you sound. No bother with it.
Tricky.
So you're not supposed to have one of the best insurance in the country?
Client may be happy, but we as a person, you know I think already. No, so most of them entity of them.
So as a person and be a person, I mean I think the company make sure so have. You know when in the US like say if a man go drop off a leather in a some company, brother, a man rich.
They're hired full time by a company, them things are different. But you see now because Jamaica moved towards a contract based thing, most of them things are not really accessible to you. It's the sad part. But you just have to make sure so you have your own thing. If anything happen to you, you can support
everything.
yourself and then maybe your family can get some.
And they are working in one space, everything they run every kill.
I want to tell you I broke my foot last night.
You broke your foot last night?
I almost broke my foot last night, so that could happen anywhere still, but
we can't work at them places, bro. I'm afraid of them places.
I just say it, but still. Alright, my boss, man.
Blessings. Big up yourself.
Alright,
Alright, my boss. Blessings.
come on, respect.
Alright, people. That was Demetrius Fairman. So make sure you support him thing. Support him channel and stuff, you know. You get to man say show some love in the chat for Demetrius. So Demetrius forward through on him. Even give you guys some information about stocks. You know, we talk a little bit about investing, about money, building money. There's an Andrew, I'd fly up. Yeah, bro, them fly up throughout the stream, man. Them fly up throughout the stream like YouTube videos. I don't know how often them show up. Because you not tell me how often them show up. You just tell me say the stream monetize. Yeah, man. Everything, man. Wealthy Clothing live, man. Wealthy Clothing so drop, man, people. No worry in the head. Make sure you support the thing. Make sure everybody get their merch when the Wealthy Clothing drop. And guess, not no merch. Wait, let me box myself. We don't use that word there. Make sure everybody get them shirt and them thing them when Wealthy Clothing drop. You get what I say? Because here, people pull and cut it. I want to wear one shirt where when I put on a shirt and go out in on a shirt. On feel proud. You know when you put on a shirt and you can't start look by yourself. As someone want to feel on a wealthy shirt, you know say yo, this a shirt. You wanna not just buy a shirt. You wanna buy an experience. You get what I say? You can't be an entrepreneur and you not have a wealthy shirt. Just put that in your head for now. You can't be an entrepreneur and you not have a wealthy shirt. Just like in a Jamaica, you can't say you're a chopper. I use chopper, I have a polo shirt. That's true. You can't say you're an entrepreneur, you're a businessman, or you're in a business space and you don't have your wealthy shirt. You have to have your wealthy shirt. When you put on your wealthy shirt, you know, say, yo, you know, business, you mean. When you put on your wealthy shirt, everybody know what time it is. You get what I say? Them know what time it is when you have on your wealthy shirt. Them know what time it is. So you know, say, yo, money time. You get what I say? So you make sure people, you know, make sure you not save up on a $500 a day or whatever you save a day. You save towards in a wealthy shirt. But wealthy shirts are limited edition. You get what I say? Wealthy shirts are gonna be limited edition, and a shirt where the whole world are going in. Limited edition. You get what I say? So if a 200 shirt, a 200 people alone are gonna have that design there. Limited shirts. So make sure you say when I save up on a $500 a day or no $200 a day. So when the wealthy shirt them drop, when you can just vloop, wealthy shirt done. You get what I say? A wealthy way I talk about, wealthy way I beat. Wealthy way I beat people. We'll go worldwide, wealthy way I beat. Make sure you send you try make sure you buy yours. Once you buy it, it will reach anywhere you're there in the world. So make sure you not save on the money and purchase on a wealthy shirt. Then I get what I say, purchase on your people. This is one thing when I do in my life, you know, I invest in myself, you know. And invest in yourself not only mean the investment them and the moves them when you take, you know. Knowledge. You get what I say? Knowledge and the things them when you buy in this world. The things them when you buy in this world. I'm sure now one book I buy the other day. I'm sure now one book I buy the other day, people. I have all the book I buy the other day. I didn't even get the book yet. Where the book there? I didn't even get the book yet. I'm showing the book. See there? This is a gratitude journal. Right? This is a gratitude journal. I'm going ahead and showing how it look now. This is called a gratitude journal. So see there? Every day in your gratitude journal, you write what you're grateful for. Today I am grateful for such and such. How will I make today awesome? Positive affirmations, right? You have a little quote on there, so every day, right? A little things that made my day, learning from today, goals and plans for tomorrow. So you see, every night before you go sleep, you fill out a gratitude journal. You get what I say? Monthly reflections. This is your month. You look on your wins them, you look on your distractions them, and you look on your excuses them. So you look which part you win pan, you look which part you go short. When you look which part you go short, you look on we say alright then, you know say this and this are my goal for next month. Zine, these are the improvement that we are going to make. Remember, say they have like a distraction and excuse up here, so you know. So these are your improvements that you are going to make. And you put your notes them under here, so. People, imagine you do that every day. Every day. Imagine you do that every day, people. Imagine you do that every day. See, it don't take 5 minutes, you know, see there? 5 minutes. Because people, as I'm telling you, have to invest in themselves. Self-development is very important. You get what I say? Self-development is very important. And as you can see, people have $5 fee book. And I like dear book. $5 fee book. And I tell you, say, yo, people out there find it hard for even. People find it out there hard for even buy this book for invest in themselves. But me I tell you, say, people, if they go see one party ticket for $5,000 in them gone, you know. So yo, you see where you reach and where you reach in a life is a reflection of all the day. Or you see a post on Instagram. Yeah man. You see where you reach in a life is a reflection of the decisions and what you're making in your life. Alright, let's say drop a book in our Discord. Alright, I'm gonna drop the book in our Discord. I'm gonna drop the book in our Discord, the people. 1 second. Alright, if you never notice, we have one section in the Discord that says books. Right? Books to read. One section in the Discord named books to read. Right? Just go in the books to read section and you go see the book. So we are showing every angle to the every angle to how to really become successful in life. So this book when I just drop the book in the Discord. So this is the gratitude book. We call this a gratitude. See, I buy mine January 5th. And it deliver already, so I'm supposed to get this by this week. January 5th, yeah, I'm supposed to get that by this week. It's supposed to reach already. But I don't know when I never get it. Yeah. So, your gratitude book, this people. So this are your book where, you know, showcase you're grateful for this and you're grateful for that and them thing there. So this are your gratitude book. And imagine people, I'm going to take a look back on this. Imagine every day you sit down and you say, yo, I'm grateful for this in my life. You get me? I say, these are the positive affirmations in my life. And this and this. Yo, you just going to start elevating the life, you know, people. So you see look on your life. Sit down and look on your life. You see, if you sit down and look on your life right now, you see, anywhere you're there in your life is by the decision them what you make. Anywhere you're there in your life right now. And not by what your mother do, what your cousin do, what your father do, what your family do, none of that. It's by the decisions them what you're making in your life. Anyway where you're there right now, look on where you're there in your life and say, yo, me sit down like that, so alright, me sit down around that stream. See? I sit down around the stream right now. The reason why we have 77 likes, 47 people in here are because of the decision them when me making a life. The reason why you there support that stream is because you decide say, yo, me I go further a Shane stream tonight and take in some knowledge and take in something. You get what I say? And because of the decision them way you make. Anywhere where you're there in your life, the decisions them way you make. So if you see me there so people and if you go up on the charts and you make $100 and because of the decision where you did make, if you take your time out and study the charts, put in the work in the chart so you could have make $100. So anywhere you're there in a life are the decisions that you make. And let me tell you that's one of the most powerful things that people even realize in the world. People don't realize say are you within yourself, your mind are the most powerful thing in the world. I'm tired of telling you say yo your mind physically exists so you don't have no limits. When a man can just be strong enough when he can only lift up 100 pounds. When a man can, you see, YBA, bro, is a priority to be here every night. Respect for that, bro. Respect for that. Because you put yourself around a positive environment. You get what I mean? So what going to happen in your life, YBA? You know, positive things. If you're looking at the Discord, guys, go in the Discord, go to general chat. Everybody in there win. Why? Because them choose to put themselves around a certain environment. Then load the group chat them with the bag of picture them and the bag of people business. You know them group chat there where you're going to be a skinny and skin teeth, this a people business and this about this a girl and this about this a money and this a video yarn. You get what I say? Them thing there. You choose to put yourself out of that environment there and put yourself in one environment where contribute to you as a person more. You get what I say? You choose to put yourself in that environment there, so guess what will happen? Are them the things that you got attract in your life? Are them the things that are go on for you in your life because you put yourself around that specific type of environment? So guess what? You have to put yourself around winners. Put yourself around people where you go for the same thing what you are go for. You get what I say? Anyway you're there in your life right now, sit down and look for yourself. See them. I look down for myself. Sit down and look for yourself and say, I saw you're there in your life. Re-look upon your life. You see, everything where you're there right now are because of the decision that you make. You're elevating your life are the decision that you make. You now move to where you want to reach in your life are the decision that you make. So guess what? You need to reanalyze some things in your life. Anyway where you're there, the decisions that you make. And until you realize that, you're not be accountable for your actions. You're not coming like one youth when you get arrested and he go in front of the judge and he knows him do it and he must say not guilty. He no want to own up for what he do. And he knows he kill the man. He knows he kill the man, you know. And he go to prison for 10 years. And knows he kill the man, go to prison for 10 years and still come up with the denial and say yo I never me do it. I never me do it. You can't be like that person. You do so, you everything in your life you have to own up for it. Yeah man, go ahead TP, yeah man. Go ahead TP. Alright guys, let me tell you what I do now. Let me tell you what I do in a them scenario them. So alright, go there so and hit TP. See? Let me tell you what me do in a them scenario now. It's not them scenario, you know. This is a mistrade. So in a them scenario, I'm not trying to chase a trade. What I'm trying to do now, I go so boom, I go up here so I click that button here, I screenshot it, I save the image and I journal it. Because it was a mistrade. Remember, so we break this down long time in the people. We break it down 4 hours, right? So 4 hours can go to close like that already. So we did done now 4 hours. We did have a 30-minute perspective as a failure to break, but we did a wait for a retest as a failure to break. Right? So how are we now? If you go back and reanalyze this, so I'm showing you the notes so I'm going to take from this. So I'm going to write down my notes. Because this would have count as a mistrade for me, personally. You get what I'm saying? So guess what now? I'm going to write down my notes in my journal, in my trading journal. So I'm opening my trading journal now, people. I write my notes in my trading journal, then I'm going to read it. I'm going to read it too, you know. Right? I'm going to read it too, you know. So we just write that in our journal. So take a picture and show now how my journal set. Alright people, so I'm going to show you a crucial part of trading. Crucial part. And this is how you grow. This is how you grow as a trader. So if you're new to trading, make sure you pay attention. Crucial to what me are doing right now. Alright. Crucial. Alright. So if you miss a trade now guys, see? If an opportunity come, you did analyze it, it go in a your direction, but it never do everything what you did want it to do in a your direction, right? It's up to you now to go back on the trade and say what you never did do, what you could have do better. You get me as well? I saw you improve. What you could have do, what you could have do better. So you go sub and you analyze the trade and say what I could have do better, what I did miss out on that trade and why I never get the entry, or what I did need to do. You boom, your journal that. See? Your journal that. So I'm going to read what I put in a journal. And this is how my journal. Everybody have for them way how them journal. Right? Don't ask me to buy that journal guys, because I never buy it. And my wife buy it give me. You get me and say, and she don't know which part she buy it either. She say I want a Facebook ad, she see it and she just buy it for me, because he said day trading journal at the front and it look like one journal, so she did just buy it. You get me and say? Me don't know which part it sell neither. But I'm going to show them one book one guys can buy. I have a couple journals still, but you can use any hard copy, any book you can use for journal. Alright. I have shown you what one probably can't understand me my handwriting, so I'm gonna read too now. 4 hourly time frame close as a rejection. Daily also. The 30-minute time frame close as a failure to break. Alright, you see them 3 sentences guys, the first 3 sentences. When I read the first 3 sentences, I can already in my head visualize the setup. Right? In your head, from just reading the first 3 sentences, I can visualize the setup. So in my first in my head a while ago, based off how I read, the 4 hourly close as a rejection. See it? 4 hours was a rejection, right? The daily was a rejection also. See it? So we daily reject the line. Right? See that we daily did I reject the line. See it? We daily reject the line. Right? Our 30-minute close as a failure to break, which is these 2 candles right here. So we done 3 sentences, we already can visualize it, right? We also downloaded a picture of it. So what I always do is when you download the picture them in a trading view nowadays, them already download and have the date and the name on them already. So because them already have the date and the name, I'm showing you now, downloads. Them already have the date and the name on them. If you notice, I put the date right up here, so the 1st of the 16th, 2022, right? So all me need to do now is go in on my trade pictures. You just create one folder up on your computer and find it. You see where it name? The first of the 16, 2022. That are the only thing when me need to go find right now. That are the only thing when me need to go find right now. You get what I say? When I go right there, so I see exactly what I did miss. Right? So, alright. So we're back to the rest of the notes. However, was waiting on a retest to take the buy. The buy hit TP, however, I didn't get an entry. Alright, so it hit TP, we never get an entry. Notes. So this a way, this are your era now where this a way you need to do going forward now. So these are your notes. So this is what you need to do going forward now. Failure to break candle had a lot of volume. Alright, I'll show you what I mean. If you don't notice, the failure to break candle are extremely bigger than this. So it engulfs this candle basically. Right? So the failure to break candle had more volume than this candle. So it was very strong. You can see the buying pressure was very strong. Right? However, I tell you why I did away on a retest. This was very strong enough, but we are come from the whole of this downward movement. Somebody away on a retest right here, so if we get at least one little pin bar, one rejection or stuff, we take it. Right? And as you notice, this candle was very small. So even though this did have big pressure, this did come to be small. So a retest was still possible. Right? That's why I was patiently waiting on the retest. However, we'll come up with a next solution. We'll go back to the journal. So the failure to break had a lot of volume in it. Next time in such scenario, enter the trade with 50% of my lot size. So anyhow, I see that scenario again. Instead of wait on the retest, so when this bigger than this, this and this are the same size, a different scenario. Whenever you're in a next scenario now, where this candle has more volume, right, than this candle, respect, so artists there and people. The artists there and buildings, so so we have to drop the artists again, people. The artists there and building. The artists there, people. So if everybody asks me who sing that song, yeah? So artists, man, the artists there.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The pioneers of it. One and two. Jump out on the exits. Inna the spotlight so me keep clean. Remember me got big dreams. Cause life never sweet when me 16. Life change up you with no pristine. I gonna finish the mission, you know where this mean. We no surprise when me shut my eyes and still see. They are arrow, me got a legacy to feel feel. Me no care who not happy for me. Life sweet, I'm not happy no fuck. Regular me stacking the G's. That last $1 can never enough. I tell us I'm watching the grave. I'm happy so me never give up. Me no care who not happy for me. Life sweet, I'm not happy no fuck. Make no money and no make them get a glimpse of you. Them will kill you despite the good things they do. Unless they benefit the fuck, I don't think of you. So me I tell you watch yourself with them who enjoy you. Show gratitude, that are the mood. Give thanks in no matter what the magnitude. Man tell you good, go for your food. Cause your attitude determines the altitude. Me no care who not happy for me. Life sweet, I'm not happy no fuck. Regular me stacking the G's. That last $1 can never enough. Man tell us someone watching the breeze.
Alright people, so that's our artist, Sub-Zero. Blessings bro, big up yourself. Everybody, yeah, so Sub-Zero are the song them always are playing on the stream. Get what I say? If you want to listen to music, exclamation mark playlist, bring it to your Spotify. You get what I say? So you can go support the music and listen to Spotify. You can definitely go up on YouTube, Sub-Zero MP on YouTube, same way, and tune into your music. You get what I say? You know, say I world artist, people. You get what I say? So tune into the thing, some positive thing. We're not talking about run up and down with gun business. You get what I say? Things that you can relate to. Things that you can touch and make you go take on the world and make a meal tomorrow. You know what I mean? And them type of music that Sub-Zero preach. So big up yourself, my DJ. Blessings. Alright people, as me there say now. In such scenario, enter with 50% of my lot size. So anyhow, me now want next scenario just like this. Anyhow, me now want next scenario like this, guys. 50% of my lot size I use. You get what I say? And save the next 50% for the retest. So guess what, right there, so you know people. Alright, so because I do this every day, people, it make me able to come up with a solution that quickly. It now go as easy for come up so quick for your solution as for everybody. You get what I say? If it now go so fast for everybody, you know, but you know, it'll go work for some people and it not go work for some people. You get what I say? It'll go work for some people and it not go work for some people for come up with it so quick. So what you do, you just screenshot it or you just sit down and just go and reason it out to yourself same time. You get what I say? So in a scenario like this, next time what I'm gonna do is take 50%. I'm a trade first and then take the next 50% after. Yeah man, Sub-Zero, blessings and big up yourself, bro. So right, so if it's in case the trade push up, I still benefit from it. You get what I say? So even if I never get to take the initial entry, I still benefit from it same way because I take 50% of the order first. So in a scenario like this next time, you know, kill up yourself and be bad on yourself and say, yo, my music trading, yo, I say yo, my voice broke up. You know, do them thing there. You get what I say? You're looking at yourself and you say, alright, then you say next time, me I go do this. So right there, so you come up with a scenario. You get what I say? Remember, them people, we are business people, you know, solve problems. Problems we are solved going forward. That's how you elevate. That's how you get better at what you do. So right there, so people, I'm even glad to this scenario even play out. So you guys could have see how we journal and how we take advantage of the journal. Same way. So right there, so we journal that trade. So we know, say, going forward, if this and this happen, we're good to go. You get what I'm saying? So I say you have to do it, people. You have to make sure, say, your journal and everything, man. You get what I say? You have to make sure, say, your journal and everything, man. See you, man. Alright then, so if you did I go use one, alright, so what if when you calculate your risk now, right? What if when you calculate your risk? 1 second, people. Yeah, people. So alright, so yes. No, me not enter the trade late. It's either me enter it good or me not enter it none at all. Me not go because me see it a go, me enter it so you lose your account and I say you blow your account. You get what I say? So if you have your criteria as them and your criteria as them no play out, you either adjust or you low out the trade. So guess what? No point in time you're supposed to enter your trade all up at them place. You just set up yourself a feeler right there, so you get what I say? Because guess what? Just like right there, so your entry come right there, so right? Your entry come right there, so you don't enter based off of the rejection, right? And it miss you and go up here, so and you gonna go enter the trade up here. So you see what you do? You just trickle back and turn back down. So never you enter the trade in the middle of the chart. But what I mean by when I say 50% of my order, alright, so you see me give an example. So me I use a 10 lot. See? So me I use a 10 lot. Me not just enter one 10 lot order, me break up my orders. So me I use a 10 lot, me go enter 2 5 lots at the same time. Just in case if when the order go up here, so me want to take off one 5 lot and left the next one for run. You remember like how they do for buy last week? But they take off some right here so and we left the rest run up here so just like that. Right, so I'm gonna close one of them buy them and left the next one. Two of them are the same lot size. So if when you calculate your risk, you're supposed to use one lot. You enter your trade with 2.5. Better trade management. 2.5. You have 2 orders around at the same one lot you add up to 2.5. So in a scenario like this, what I'm gonna do now, you just enter one of your 0.5 them and wait. Use the next 0.5 if you get a retest. If you don't get a retest, this would already push up and earn a profit. So you would have benefit from that trade. You would just make 50% of what you would normally make. That's the difference. But the 50% what you would normally make is better than not making anything at all. So you understand what I say? That's what I basically mean when I say cut the like alright, good. So I need to understand. So yeah, that's what I basically mean. So even when you say trade around left Nika, you not run down your trade. Because we turn back on you. When the turn back on you, you know you're going. At them they blow account. You know how much account me get blow because of them something. But you have to just hold the composure. You see every time you journal a trade, you get better. Every time you journal a trade is a scenario where you never did know about and you get better. You get what I say? Tio, that man need to touch your toe. Yeah, man. Every time you journal your trade, you get better. Trust me. You chase down your trade. Yeah, man. Every time you know if you chase the trade, them man, my trade them come to you. Every time you journal your trade, people you get better. And this is people them no want journal trade. Me can't find the webinar right now in a Cuban course. Yo, the man go for some book. About 8 book man have. About 8 hardcover book man have when done. And you might see man reach when there right now and him. I say yo man journal and them thing. The man have him more deep a book when him journal and the amount of book the man have when done over the past 7 years on him journey. You get what I say? So who is you not for journal? Sean Lee, same thing. Journaling. You get what I say? You have to journal. You're not too big for journal or say yo boom. Some of the time while you're not elevator because guess what? The same scenario does repeat itself over because guess what? You're not journal the situation for say you're not write it down so you can diagnose that problem there. So you can diagnose the problem there. You get what I say? Yeah. He might bring you up on an interview, the one with the 192K. Alright. The man show him book, brother. About 5 or 6 book he man have, bro. The man show up on it. The man also show them on the webinars, them, and him keep the webinars them. The man come out with a bag of book, brother. You get what I say? People I tell you say, I've done the book them, you know. Mean say man write from it, man journal out the whole entire book them, you know. You have to journal, people. You have to journal and take notes. You get what I say? Who else I get the low grade them in the class? The man them come to class and cock up foot and now take notes. So you have to make sure you say you take notes. So when I see it, I show you live how we do it a while ago. You miss a trade, you take notes. You get a trade, you take notes. So you document everything. So when a scenario reach you again, I don't write this thing already. I know exactly what going on, man. Boom. You place a trade and cock up foot and skin teeth. That's how you deal with it. You get what I'm saying, people? The same way you deal with it. So you have to make sure you have your book, you have your journal out, and you take notes. We used to have secure the bag journal, you know. We used to have some secure the bag journal, people. We used to have some secure the bag journal. We might give out some to the people that will come to the people them for the 2-day course. They might get them secure the bag journal at the course. I don't know it. We have some secure the bag journal. So a lot of students supposed to have them journal. Mickey didn't have one of them journal. Mickey is supposed to have one of them journal. Secure the bag journal. Me I give him my, you know who can take a mind? My grandmother. How you're confident that what you're writing makes sense? Because you see it happen, see it play out right there, so. You see it happen, see it play it right in front of your eyes, so you know what you're right makes sense, because it happen right there, so. See the people, it happen. So not like you're not right foolishness, or something will happen. See there, there's something right in front of you, you just hit a TP, so you do a right thing, you're right. I can't foolishness and they play it in front of you. How about the Notion app for taking notes? Yeah, you can definitely, bro, you can definitely use Notions, bro. See there. You can definitely use Notions. You get what I'm saying? See there, me use Notions, you know. And Notion, see there, me use Notions a lot. Me use Notions, see it? Me have trading journal and Notions. See it? Me have trading. See them, me used to use Notions. Me used to use Notions. See Notions there. See Notions there. See Notions there, people. So me used to use Notions. Me have a trading journal on Notions too. See there, remember a whole trading journal of Notions. So me used to use Notions, but guess what? Me use Notions, but me still write it in my book. Write it in a book always better than Notions and all of them something. Writing it into a book is always better. However, yes, if you screenshot phase, as I showed them, just boom, take screenshots, save, and you just make one folder up on your computer and you save your whole of them in a folder. So always, it's when you write it down, I don't know, it's like when you write it down, it does resonate with you different. You get what I'm saying? When you write it down, it does resonate with you different. So that's why I write it down. Write it down does work with me differently. So that's why I just choose to better when I write it down. You get me, people? So that's why I recommend say, yo, when I write them down, write down and trade them. You get what I say? For the screenshot factor, so you can visualize it, I'm say just take a screenshot. So when I take the screenshot, don't take the screenshot one where you open the image in a new tab or so. You get what I said? Just click download right there, so because guess what? You download and you get one proper name already have a date on it. So when you go so boom and you have the one where already have the date on it, you can definitely use that one in the future. So when you read March 20 in your book, you can go in your folder on your computer and find March 20. You get what I say? Are your business people, this are your accounting. Are your accounting this year though? You can find March 20. You get what I say? So you have to work with it. So you have to work with the people. So see there guys, we got through one trade on the stream here, right? Some people catch it, some people didn't. You get what I say? But other than that, everybody as usual every single night. You guys learn a lot. You get what I say? That's the main thing. You come somewhere where you can, every night you can gain knowledge. You gain knowledge from one another. We learn some things from Demetrius tonight. Demetrius learn some things from we. Same way, We learn a little bit about the stocks thing and how to open it so everybody can go get them NCB Capital Markets account. Same way. You get what I say? Then we can move forward with who we purchase. So JMMB is a good dividend paying tax stock. You pay 7.something% a year, so you're good. So say I get the dividends every month, so you're good. So anyways, people, it's 12 right now, so we're there for what, 3.5 hours. Put in 3.5 hours on the grind, people. Blessings and big up on yourself. Everybody up forward through tonight. Blessings, people. Big up on yourself. Right now we have 87 likes. Because see if we can get it up to 100 or 90. You get what I say? So like the stream, guys. If you're just forward, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you say you subscribe, guys. So you see when we go live every night. We go live every night for the week except Saturday. Saturday are the day for the wife, So we not go live on a Saturday, but we go live every single day. So guys, run up the likes them. Because see if we can get to 90 likes or 100 likes. Just press the like button if you haven't as yet. You get what I say? So yeah, Jamaica doesn't have tax on capital gain, yeah, man. So enjoy the stream, guys. Run up your likes. Make sure you say you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a stream. You don't miss no stream. Right, we had one member tonight. Big up yourself. Get what I say? Big up yourself. And guys, respect for everybody we're tuning in. Respect for everybody we're forward out. You get what I say? I'm going to see you again tomorrow night. Same time, same place, 8:30 p.m. We're live. We'll get some trades. You get what I say? I go hold the stream for an extra hour. Bro, I have some work for go do, bro. I have work for go do, bro. You get what I say? From 12 to 5, that time I go put in it other work. You get what I say? Go put in other work now. So I have some work for do. I have some, right now, as I see me, they get a little phone call. So I have some secure exchange work for go do right now. Some things to go type up and things. So blessings and big up on yourself. Big up to everybody who like the stream. Big up to everybody who forward. Blessings. I'm going to see you tomorrow night again. We're there up on the grind. Make sure you join the Discord so you can go and reason and chat in the Discord. We're talking this every day, 24/7. Who want to get the course already? And last week, forget it. So get the course. Blessings and big up to everybody. May I catch you tomorrow. And may I see you tomorrow. Zine. And man them, take time on the road. Safe travel and everybody stay safe and blessings. You get what I say? Good luck for everybody in the new week. May it be a good and prosperous and productive week for everybody. Alright? May see you tomorrow. Up top.
One MP, jump out on the big seas. Inna the spotlight so me keep clean. Remember me got big dreams. Cause my life never sweet when me 16. Life change up your with no pristine. I can't finish a mission, you know where this mean. Me no surprise when me shut my eyes and still see. There I wrote me got a legacy fi Billy feel. Me no care who not happy for me. Life sweet, I'm not happy no fuck. Regular me stacking the G's. $1 can never enough. Wanna tell you someone watching the pre. I'm happy so me never give up. Me not care who not happy for me. Life sweet, I'm not happy no fuck. Make the money and no make them get a glimpse of you. Them will kill you despite the good things you do. Unless them benefit the fuck of them not think of you. So me I tell you watch yourself with them who enjoy you. Show gratitude, yeah, that's the mood. Give thanks in no matter what the magnitude. Man, I tell you youth, go for your food. Cause your attitude determines the altitude. Man, I care who not happy for me. Life sweet, I'm happy no fuck. Regular, me stacking the G's. $1 can never enough. Man, I tell you someone watching the pre. I'm happy so me never give up. Man, I care who not happy for me. Life sweet, I'm happy no fuck. jump out pan the big scene. Inna the spotlight so me keep clean. Remember me got big dreams. Cause my life never sweet when me 16. Life change up here with no Christine. I couldn't finish the mission, you know where this means. Me no surprise when me shut my eyes and still see. There I wrote me got a legacy to build for. Man I care when I happy for me. Life sweet, I'm happy enough for me. Regular I'm stacking the cheese. I'm happy some never. One MP, got MP, pioneers only. Unity, entertainment.